Iceland is gonna be hard to get to for sure.
How about never going to Iceland? Nice, this works. Okay. Right. Null ability. Nullable type is a type that allows for null values.
Siri_bot says Siri_bot
Jesus
has
Christ, I forgot how
joined
loud my
Cerebral Love.
TTS is. Type that allows for null values. A value type can be made nullable by appending it with a question mark.
That.
Yes, explore the concept. Oh, the instructions are short. Haha. C#, the null literal is used to denote the absence of a value. A nullable type is a type that allows for null values. Prior to C#8, reference types.
I got the Kira's already starting. You built a rash symptom without points. Cool.
We're always nullable. Well, you're on C# like 3 or something, or you're like on like some low.
3.5, 4.0 is the ones that I'm familiar with using.
Okay, this one is for after C#8. Interesting.
I'm probably gonna lose this one.
Reference types were always nullable, and value types were not. A value type can be made nullable though by appending it with a question mark. Oh my god! So in your version of C#, reference types are always nullable. Value types were not, but now value types can be nullable in the new ones, I guess.
Really? Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, there was always a nullable thing that you could do.
Mm-hmm.
But
yeah,
like if you tried to set an int to null, it wouldn't work.
I see. But I guess now you can do that.
Cool.
That's cool. Oh, and the new version of C#, if you use a question mark symbol, then you can make value types nullable.
Yes, that was always there. That was always like that.
Oh, okay, really?
My version as well.
Oh.
Beaver.
Oh yeah, you're right. It says prior to C#8. Never mind. It's saying in the new version you don't need a question mark anymore or something. String null reference type is a hello. Nullable value type is 5. Non-nullable value type is null. Compile errors as type is not nullable.
I should have got these things early. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna lose. Okay.
Oh, value type.
I got Iceland. Yes. Okay. World.
No value type equals null.
Just infect everybody and kill everybody.
And that's not very nice. No value type is 5. It was null. That is type is nullable.
Birth, death. Cool. That's fine. I just need everybody to die.
No, you don't. No value type. What am I doing? Well, this type is
I need that. I need 24. Tumors. Cool. Okay.
Accessing a member of a variable which value is null. I think that's grammatically incorrect, but it doesn't matter.
Oh, do I not have anybody here?
Accessing a member of a variable. Accessing a member.
Oh, I might be screwed. Because I don't have any way to get it to there, do I?
Value is null. We'll compile fine. But result in a null reference exception being thrown at runtime.
Yeah, no, I think this is a dead run. This isn't gonna work.
String reference equals null. Sentence.length. To counter this common type of mistake, C#8 allows one to opt into a feature that makes reference types non-nullable by default. That's cool.
Well, whatever.
String non-nullable reference type equals bug.
I restarted my run.
Good. I haven't actually started coding. I'm reading the instructions still, but it's okay. I know I'll go fast. Easy. Easy. Do it right on the first try. Because now I remember I gotta put semicolons everywhere. Literally everywhere. Everywhere. Oh, what? No reference type. String. Movie. No reference type. No. Compile warning, no error. Okay, what? Opt into a feature that makes reference types non-nullable. By default. I think I see. To safely work with nullable values, one should check if they are null before working with them. String normalize name. String name. If name equals null, return unknown. Else,
More.
value is not null at this point, so no compile warning, no runtime. No reference exception being thrown.
Okay, that's big.
Return name not to upper. Normalize name null. Unknown. Elizabeth. The double question mark operator allows one to return a default value when the value is null.
Oh shit! Did that happen? Oh, everybody in Afghanistan got infected, and now people know my disease exists.
Nice.
So when they start working on cure, yeah, as soon as people find out.
George. I didn't think about this. What? How does... Oh.
We need severity.
Oh, this is just the default value.
Severe storm, well that's gonna up the death count.
Okay. The question mark period operator allows one to call members safely on a possibly null value. String fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. String vegetables. Vegetable lit length. Null. Okay. I get it, but this... I'm not gonna remember all this information. Tim from marketing. Printing name patches.
Oh, I should be upgrading that. Bing bang boom. Upgrade.
Oh nice, I get to start now.
Sneezing, good.
This exercise you'll be writing code to print name badges for factory employees. Ice cream.
I got ice cream. Who do I not have?
Iceland. Employees have an ID name and department name. Employee badge labels are formatted as follows. ID name, department. ID name, department name.
I have so many points. I gotta start doing stuff.
Name. You're in code for name badges for factory employees. Name badges. Yes. Implement the static badge.print method to return an employee's badge label. Badge.print. Okay, ID name, department. Oh. Okay, I think I can do this with.
I got so many points, I gotta use them.
Print a badge for an employee. Print a badge for the owner. Oh, okay, I see.
Here, it's not 100% complete. Okay.
So string print, int, ID, string name, string department. Okay. Wait, I should have.
Get freaking Guinea in these places. Shit.
I need the instructions.
Okay, birds. I gotta put all my
Take my time.
birds. I gotta trust the birds. I gotta trust the birds. They're gonna do stuff with it.
Let me just read the other tasks. Because this is one method. Due to a quirk in the computer system, new employees occasionally don't yet have an ID when they start working at the factory. As badges are required, they will receive a temporary badge without the ID prefix. Modify the static badge.print method to support new employees that don't yet have an ID. Oh, okay. Badge debug. When a test fails, a message is displayed describing what went wrong and for which input. You can also use the fact that any console output will be shown too. You can write to the console using console.writeLine. Yeah, they should have told me that during the first exercise, so I didn't have to figure it out myself.
I'm not winning because I don't have these places.
No. Even the factory's owner has to wear a badge at all times. However, an owner does not have a department. In this case, the label should print owner instead of the department name. Okay. Modify the static badge.print method to print a label for the owner. Note that it is possible for the owner to also be a new employee. Oh wow. Charlotte Hale, owner. So in the first instance, you always just cut it out. Okay. How do I... I don't know, what's the best way to structure this? Logically. Wait, you can have a... In C#, you can have a... Oh, wait. I'm not allowed to ask questions, right? Because we're racing. Okay. You can have an empty string, right? And that's, like, fine. Yeah. Cool. I'm gonna do that, then. Wait, an empty string isn't null. It's just an empty string.
Yeah, those are two different things.
Good. Don't give up, you gotta infect the world.
Are you infected? Wait, oh, that's infected now. Good. I was having trouble infecting that before.
If ID was null. Int. Wait, no. ID equals. Oh, wait, it's an int. God damn it. Server's fine. Return. name plus department.
Good.
I should put another if statement in there actually. If
Not
maybe
bad.
I should ask that at the beginning.
What is that?
If
That one? Okay, that's fine.
department equals null. Oh god, we're done.
I like birds. Birds gonna be good for me.
I like birds too, they're cool. They're the only, you know, birds are dinosaurs, right? Like actually,
Yeah.
like they belong in the dinosaur family. They're the only dinosaurs that survived. So they're awesome.
Yeah, they won. They won the lottery.
They did. Department equals null. Return. Name plus maybe I should put this on the outside actually. Wait, damn it, let me think about this. Isn't it? New employee.
Oh, that's why that. Is that why that got caught? Is that why that caught me? I don't know. Where's that? No lethality, good.
I'm gonna switch this up.
Yeah.
If department equals null. Department. Oh wait, I think I can just put this here. Department equals like you just don't include it.
Who is not? Which countries are not affected? Those ones.
If department equals null. Oh no, if ID. Right. Equals null. If department equals null.
I have so much fucking shit. Why am I not using it?
Return. Bracket. Plus. Oh no, don't return that. Name. Plus. This dash. Plus owner. Plus
Who's
department.
not infected yet? So I think it's called like cold or something. What is? Canada is not got. What is Canada? What's up with Canada? Business as usual.
If department equals null. So the ID does not equal null. Okay, return.
How's extent? Well, borders. No, I'll
Plus
get you
ID.
borders. I'll get you to border. I'll get you to border.
Plus.
We're getting huge. Huge money.
Huge money. Plus. Name. Plus department. That's fine.
What is that? Ball, please. I don't want that yet. I want that though.
Oh, I got the comma error in. I mean, semicolon.
Yeah, you need semicolons, by the way. I don't know if you noticed.
I don't like semicolon. Well, no, I love them, but. Okay, let's see, what line? 15. Damn it, I do have semicolon. 15 and... Only assignment, call, increment, decrement.
Please
Await.
go buy boats at that place, please.
Statement. Huh?
Can I upgrade fucking water too? 24? Okay.
Oh, 15. What does the 43 mean?
Do it.
Ah, damn it. Return. I feel like 13 doesn't have a problem. Oh, I forgot a plus sign. At least it ran.
That's a jump I don't like.
I did implement it.
Oh. Why is it lethal now? What happened? What did I upgrade that made it lethal? Oh, that I upgraded that and made it lethal. Well. Okay. Just kill, mass kill, mass kill, mass kill.
Mass kill. Return. Oh, wait. Wait, I can just put this down here. Homeowners.
Nice. How many? Wait, who's not affected? Greenland, Poland. Okay, Greenland, Poland, and New Zealand is gonna get. Greenland and New Zealand are gonna get me screwed, aren't they? I need to find a way to infect those things.
Name. I see.
I don't care.
And delete this. Cool, I failed again.
You're dead. Okay, just dead. I need to focus on water.
Water.
That was a good start, though.
It has to be capitalized?
Weak but used to hot temperatures, so I don't recruit hot temperatures.
Oh, I know what it needs to do.
What?
I know exactly what I need to do to finish this. I think I just need one more line. I know exactly what I need. String 2 upper. Are you getting close to your finishing?
No.
Oh, okay. You need to believe in yourself. Believe harder. Harder. Okay. I could have just typed this out.
That one. I need that one. I need that. I need these.
Oh, okay. I actually didn't solve all of it yet. Oh, damn it. What's happening here?
You must have fungal spores. I already maxed that out. But by the time it told me that I should probably upgrade this thing. The thing it told me to upgrade, I maxed out already.
If department equals null. Oh, I do need the second return statement. Okay, put it here. Though I didn't need it, but I do. Alright. Wait a second. If... Wait a second. ID equals null? Wait, let's do it the way. Oh. Oh, my logic's bad. Okay, put this here.
No, what the fuck? Don't upgrade that. It's like it involves seizures. The thing involves seizures. No, not right now. This thing kills people. It's basically instantly game over.
Oh, seizures just is like it's unstoppable.
Yeah. Well, no, seizures would have alerted everybody to the virus and.
Oh yeah, you're trying to stop them from noticing.
Killed my run.
Because
I would immediately the cure would be immediately started and my run would be over.
Mega Brutal was pretty Mega Brutal, wasn't it?
Well, luckily I was able to devolve it.
Good job. Else return.
Found it. Okay. There's this 111. I'll create that in a second.
If this indent it.
Oh, okay.
Charisma says, hey guys.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh wait, I'm trying to navigate back to OBS. Oh, hi Taurus! Hello. Oh my god, where's my window? Oh, there we go. I'm almost done with this, but I was having a little race with Corrupt to see he's playing. Wait, what's it called again? Plague Inc. He's playing Plague Inc. trying to beat a level on Mega Brutal, and I wanted to see if I could do this faster than him. This non-Mega Brutal programming task. I think I'm about to win. I just need to fix this. I just need to delete. I need to delete this part, and then Like I just won. Wait, I have to run the test.
I mean, I was nowhere near winning. I didn't expect to win.
I didn't win. I just broke... I fixed something, but then I broke something else, so I didn't actually win yet. God damn. Oh, the logic. The logic of this is too hard. But I have the syntax I need. Oh, wait. I know. What? Okay, what's wrong here? This was working before, and then now this is working. Then I fixed this, and then this broke. Gotta believe in yourself, Corrupt. Believe in yourself.
No, I'm losing.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Let's see how.
Okay, screw it. I need another if statement.
Do I have that? No. Do I have that? No.
If
on my birds.
Birds.
Bird, no.
ID equals no. Like that. This is the...
Wait. What do I have that's putting lethality?
Okay, else.
Oh, that's why that's... Oh, fuck. Okay. Restarting.
What did you have that had lethality?
I accidentally involved something that caused death, and that was...
Oh! That's not good. What?
Eduardo Poses _11 says, I bet you can't program a simple calculator, using switch, in the Latino language.
What is the Latino language? I don't think I could program a simple calculator in any language. Don't tell me that's another esoteric language. Like brain truck and JS truck.
Brain fuck and JS fuck.
Yeah, that. That's why you're here, so you can say those words for me, right?
Yeah, because you were talking...
Charisma Zapa says Latino is a fully functional programming language
cool.
with Spanish syntax, starting in 2015.
Oh, that's cool. With Spanish syntax. That's unique.
You should program in Japanese.
That'd be fun.
Line 137 says, I think you can avoid the nested ifs by appending /
There
prepending
you
ID
win!
and
You're
department
here!
into isolated steps,
Oh my god!
if they are
You guys rock.
non-null.
Yeah, I was thinking to myself, like, I'm probably coding like Yandere dev right now. I'm like putting ifs everywhere. It's like, I don't think this is hard. Avoid the nested ifs by appending / prepending ID and department to isolated steps. Oh, wait, what would that even look like? Oh! Wait, how do I avoid the ifs though?
Oh, I don't know what they're talking about. I can't see your code.
I know you can't, but... Yeah, I know you can't. But I'm streaming it, so... If by appending / print ID and department to isolated steps. Isolated, so that means do it outside of any if statement? Thing to print... Thing to print equals name.
Line 137 says thing to print equals name.
Thing to print equals name? What is this? Oh, now I want to try redoing it, but I worked so hard to get my nested ifs. If ID isn't null, maybe I'll just comment. I'll try it.
137 says
Okay.
if ID isn't null, rightward arrow thing to print equals ID thing to print.
Sure, I think I can just comment this all out and I can try again. It's fine. But I think if I played with this enough, I could get these ifs to work. How do I multi-line comment in C#? Because I kind of forgot.
Line 137 says if department isn't null,
Oh,
rightward
/star,
arrow
thank
thing
you.
to print equals thing to print department dot to upper.
Dot to upper. Okay. Oh, I did it. Okay. Alright, I'll comment all this out and try again. Tell me if I'm doing it wrong, Win.
You're doing it wrong.
Department. Oh, I can just say department. Wait, isn't that what I did? Didn't I did department to 2 upper, but you mean just do it in one step? Oh, okay, wait, okay. But this is a null. This could be a null string, and if it's null, I can't null that 2 upper.
Yeah,
right?
that's long.
Line 137
Yeah.
says yes, but you have 2 nested layers of if.
Yeah, I have 2 nested layers because they're gonna pass in a null string into ID sometimes, and then sometimes they're gonna pass in a null string to department, and then they want different outputs. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna get the
Checking if department isn't null.
Line 137
Oh, really?
says I'm already checking if department isn't null.
But then it will throw an error if it is and break it won't compile. But there was something here, I'll show you. There was a way to get around it. Maybe that's what I should use. So if you, I think it was, to safely work with nullable values, one should check if they are null before working with them. Oh wait, no, never mind, not this part.
Line 137 says that's why I'm using the if statement.
Oh, using if statement. This wasn't the part I meant this part. The double question mark operator allows one to return a default value when the value is null. But maybe this isn't what I want. Or this one. The question mark period operator allows one to call members safely on a possible null
Line
value.
137 says when I wrote if department isn't null,
different.
I meant pseudocode.
Oh, I'm so bad. I'm so bad at interpreting English. You know, Wind. Just if you want, it's like, obviously if you're free and it's your choice. But I am on my Discord server, and Corrupt's here too. He's playing Plague Inc. If you do want to just hop in call, you don't ever have to ask for permission. You can just come in if you see us. Cause I'm dumb and I'm bad at reading. Oh really? Cause maybe you're really good at explaining things. I feel bad for making you type all
Line
this.
137 says oh sure.
Yeah, come in, join the party. You and in the Discord, Corrupt is streaming Plague Inc. too, so you can like see the Plague Inc. if you want to. It's a fun game.
Yeah, you can see me be bad at this game.
No, you're good. You're gonna get it. You're probably gonna get it before I finish this. And I'm cheating because I'm getting help too. Think about it. I'm about to get help from Win, so you already beat me. You're not bad.
There's nothing there. I need that. What do I need? Who do I need? Everybody.
What do you need? What do you need? Return.
Okay, well, all of those are just land borders. Those 2 are inconvenient. And those 4 are inconvenient.
Hello.
Ah, hello.
Sorry, I just realized I was muted.
Oh, okay. That's alright. I was like, where are you? Oh. Sorry I'm dumb. I didn't really understand I don't know exactly what you mean. But I'm sure your way's better by a lot. Go ahead. Sorry.
Oh, I was wondering if that game has incompetent government as.
Yes, if you play on easy, it says doctors don't ever wash their hands, so very incompetent.
Oh.
And even during like pandemics, all the countries will like send their planes. So on the easy mode, every country is like absolutely incompetent when you play on it. But he's playing on Mega Brutal, and it says when you play on Mega Brutal, sick people get locked in prison. So they're really like, so if you have a cold, you're going to prison. Isn't that amazing? That's how you stop a pandemic. Am I right? If we just did that for COVID, just lock people in prison if they have COVID, it would have solved a lot of things.
That would very much incentivize people to not get sick.
Exactly, you're right, and it would incentivize people to wear masks and stuff because you'll have a criminal record of COVID.
It's also like don't let anybody know that you're sick. So
oh, well that too. That's fair. That's a good point. Yeah.
What I meant about this problem was I don't actually know what the problem is, but I'm guessing it's something like giving ID, name, and department, like print the thing, like.
Oh wait, I can explain. Well, so this method is gonna run a bunch of tests. So this is the first one. So the first one's simple. There will never be a null value. This first test is it it'll pass in these. It'll pass in these values. So it'll pass in the 17. It'll pass in Ryder, Herbert, and marketing. Oh wait, no. Sorry, it'll pass in. It's down here. 17.
Okay.
Ryder, Herbert, and marketing, and then this is the expected output. But this is mine, and then it failed. So, and the same thing with test 2. It shows you what it wants. So.
Okay, and I'm guessing in the other tests, like either ID or department could be null, right?
Yes, ID or department can be null. String won't be null. Name won't be null, so we don't have to worry about that one.
Okay,
in the event, I was gonna say, in the event ID is null, you delete it. If department is null, then you replace it with owner. Like it's it. Like you capitalized owner, because that means it's the owner. The owner is the one who doesn't have a department. That's the rules.
So if department is null, then is ID necessarily always null?
No, they're independent. No. So you can have a null ID but not a null department, a null department and not a null ID, or you could have null ID and null department, or you could have no null ID or no null department. They're intermixed.
So what is the expected behavior if department is supposed to be null?
If department is null, then you have ID with the brackets plus dash plus name plus dash plus owner. Dash then owner is the department's name changes to owner in capital letters.
Okay, so
yeah.
I think this is fair-ish. Okay, so if department is null, set department owner, and then.
Oh, you're right. Wait, that's what I did here. That's the first thing I did. Oh wait, if department is null, why did I do?
Empty string.
I did set it. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why? I don't know why I did that. Because I just explained to you that it's owner. Why did I set it to empty string? Is this why I'm getting weird behavior? Probably. Oh damn. Owner.
And I think if you set department to be owner, you can exit that if block already. You don't have to worry about that anymore. Because now once you've set department to be owner, then
yeah, I'm gonna rewrite the whole code. Oh, sorry. You said I can reset something?
If you set department to be owner, for example, then you can kind of do that as like a one-liner, if you know what I mean. Like.
Oh wait, it doesn't have to be in. Wait, yeah, wait. Oh.
I mean, you could write it on one line if you want, but I mean, just like that can be outside. The rest of the code doesn't have to be inside that block anymore.
Oh, you mean like I can move past the if statement now?
Yeah, none of the rest of the logic should depend on that. Do you see why? Because now that you've set department to be owner, there isn't anything special about department anymore that requires special attention. Yeah.
You're right. Yeah, and that is what I just. Should I draw? Are you gonna say I should try to draw more flowcharts?
No, I mean you should try to leave the. Like, it makes the code less complicated if you have less stuff inside the if statement.
That's true, and I was trying to nest 1,000. I was trying to nest 1,000 ifs in each other and getting confused. Meander,
That's when it becomes difficult to understand.
Yeah. Even for you, this was slightly like you're like a little bit like what?
Yeah.
Seeing what I did,
I wasn't sure why we needed this.
Okay, thank you. I really appreciate your feedback. Like, this is how I get to like actually learn things instead of just constantly confuse myself. Is if people point out what the things that I could do better. So thank you.
And then my idea was to
another if.
So there's a thing you need to print is the thing you need to print is name plus department, right? Or whatever. Name dash department or whatever. I'm not sure about the formatting, but something like that, right?
Yes.
Like name and then department after that.
Yep. Name plus department.
And then if there's an ID.
Oh, plus sorry dash. Yeah, plus department.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If the ID isn't null, then you can just prepend the ID to that.
Oh yeah. Oh, then this is where the real if statement, and then otherwise just delete this and print out. Okay.
Wait. No, there's no need to delete it. You're going to have name plus department regardless of whether ID is null or null.
Yeah.
Right?
Wait, if I'm gonna have name plus department.
So if
there is something I should say. Oh wait, I think I can get around this with this operator that it's telling me about. But in normal cases, so I should have told you, they want the department capitalized. So like in the regular one, it's always going to give you a lowercase department, so you have to capitalize it. But if you try to capitalize this string and it's null, it'll like throw an error. But I think you can do like this operator or something. I'm not sure.
If you use that question operator, then department question mark dot to upper is still going to give you null, which isn't what you want. You want it to be owner, right?
Oh yeah. But yeah. So in the case that it's not null, I just don't want it to throw an error. But that should work then.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then so let's save that thing on line 11 to some variable. You can call it whatever you want, like formatted text or whatever, badge text, or just call it whatever.
That works. Badge text. Is this for ID or? Oh wait, no, this is going to be the text of the badge we print out. That's why it's badge text. Okay.
Yeah, that's the.
Okay.
So we definitely know that it's got to have name and department in it, right? That's for sure, right?
Yes,
and
you're right. Always.
We already dealt with a case that department could be null, so we don't have to worry about department being null anymore, right?
Yeah.
So now we can safely say badge text equals name plus department, right?
Name plus.
Or you might have to add whatever dashes or whatever to mark it the way that.
But if I try to, because if I'm, like this is gonna be a string. Oh wait, badge text is gonna be a string, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I'm trying to append, because I'm doing concatenation, making a string. If department is null and I put it into a string, won't it like break?
No, but department isn't null on line 9, right? We said it's not null anymore.
Oh, because we had this, so it will always be. You're right, owner. So I don't, because you took care of it. Oh my god, that's right. You're good. You're too good.
I'm actually not sure about Sharp. Is that allowed? What you're doing on line 9?
Yeah. Wait, 9.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's of null type, but you're changing it to a string type. Is that okay?
Yes, because this reason why is because it has a question mark.
Okay.
Wait, and it said, I think it worked before, so it's allowed, but I wish I had a better answer. A value type can be made nullable. Oh wait, so this just means it can be nullable. It can be nullable. It doesn't have to be nullable when there's a question mark.
Oh, okay. Okay, yes. So it's like optional of string or null, or union of string and null. Okay, so then line 9 should be fine.
Okay, cool. Name.
Yeah, but
plus.
So line 12, I think it's name plus dash or whatever, right?
Plus it is.
Department.
Yep.
Yeah.
Name plus dash.
Or space dash. Yeah.
Space dash. Plus. Yes. Okay.
You should be department to upper or something, right?
Oh yes, you're right. To upper. Wow, you took this long, weird, complicated thing I was doing, and it's so beautiful and condensed. It's just like, it's beautiful. It's like when you translate Japanese into English. It's just like, I want to cry because it's so beautiful. This is beautiful code. Like your structure is beautiful. Yeah.
I think you're missing the semicolon. But...
Oh yeah. Oh sorry. I was just waiting for. I thought you were gonna say more things.
Missing a semicolon, that means it's ugly.
No, I never forget. Don't lie, Corrupt. You know I never forget semicolons. This is just one-time thing.
Yeah.
He's never seen me. This is Corrupt's first time seeing me ever miss a semicolon.
I'm not seeing you, but I've seen you before. You had missing semicolons on every single line.
Yeah.
What?
No, but I have an excuse because I was learning Python, and I got confused. So I have a... Yeah. So every line I didn't put a semicolon, and I was like, oh yeah, only Python lets me do this crap. No offense to Python. With its 300,000 layers of abstraction. No offense.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
And then,
we're gonna have an if statement for the ID?
Yeah, so my idea was,
yes.
if ID is not null, then just prepend ID to badge text.
Oh, you want to use a not in the if? That's cool. Okay, if ID.
Because we only need to... Because if ID is null, right?
Yeah.
If ID is null, then badge text is done, basically, right? We're already done.
If ID is null.
I think you
mean
if ID... Yeah, if ID is null, then badge text is done, right?
Wait, did I write this wrong?
And we win. I think it should be exclamation equals null. I'm not a C# person, but...
If I...
Yeah, if you're trying to check for not null, it's not equal to null, yeah.
Wait, what is it supposed to look like? Is not like this?
Exclamation equal null, I think.
Oh,
that would be not equal to null.
Dang, you know more C# than me, Wind, and you don't even use C#. That's amazing.
If you use a language that kind of looks like C#, then you probably know enough about C# to know that.
Thank you. But for Python, it's just the exclamation, right? But C#, it's exclamation equal. I see.
I think you don't need the first equals anymore.
Oh yeah, because not equals. You're right. Wait, do you think this would have ran? It's just unnecessary, or does this not? No, it doesn't make sense to have these two at all.
I think it would be a syntax error.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. So if ID is okay, well, I mean, like from a logical standpoint, right? If ID is null,
I think I know
then, we win, right? We're done.
Yep.
But if ID isn't null, we still need to do one more thing, right? Which is...
Wait, I just realized, do you think it would be better, instead of doing string badge text here, I could just make string badge text, and then print it like that?
Yeah.
Like up above? So I don't have to like...
Wait. But you can't, but department hasn't been properly sanitized or whatever.
Sanitized.
Oh, yeah. You mean just declare it at the top?
Yeah, that's all I meant. And then just say badge text equals. I just thought maybe that would look nicer. I don't know if it's better or not. Would you?
I don't think it matters too much.
Okay. Yeah. Badge text name. Oh, I copied this. So then ID, or just...
So we just prepend ID to badge text, right?
Yes, I think so. ID.
Is there a prepend operator in C#, or is it just the thing plus the thing?
I guess it's the thing
for adding something to the start of a string?
Yeah.
Just do plus the string.
Yeah.
Plus string.
Yeah, that's... I was wondering if there was a...
Do some languages have a special prepend operator or something crazy for the beginning of it?
In C#, if you're gonna do like a prepend operator, that's usually just for like lists and arrays or something, because it's for string, you could just add it to the start of the string using the plus operator.
Okay, that's cool. Okay. Hey, Corrupt, are you winning? Are you winning? You winning, son? You winning?
Let me figure out if I'm winning right now.
Okay.
I mean,
do your best.
This looks a lot better than the other runs.
Okay, good. You're making progress. Okay, so then...
I just need to go there.
Oh, and then at the end I can just return.
Wait. Yeah, this is technically fine the way it is now, but from a logical perspective, there's no need to redo that operation of doing name dash department to upper, right? You can reuse the value of badge text on line 14 already, right?
Oh. Oh, because it says this, it's literally, yeah, it's the same, so I can reuse it. Oh, I didn't think about that. So I could say just plus badge text.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't think about that.
This is fine, but like hypothetically, if line 14 was an expensive thing to do, you wouldn't want to do it twice, right?
Oh yeah, if it was some like costly, difficult thing for the computer, then I'm basically like destroying it unnecessarily. I feel like once I make games, they're gonna be horribly optimized.
Oh, good.
Yes. So okay, cool. And then, oh wait,
we just deleted line 14. What happened to it?
Where did line 14? Wait, I didn't mean to delete it. Wait. Oh my god, where's line 14? I didn't do. We just deleted line 14. How do I? Okay, I was trying to copy paste, but I think I accidentally deleted it in the process. I didn't do that. Hey, if you're my interviewer, Win, did I get the job? Can I work at Google now?
Google?
Yes. Or maybe. Okay, that's nice. You're a good person. Yes. Okay. So I'm not going to delete that anymore. Well, not going to delete line 14. Batch x equals.
And I think you need another dash between the ID and the. I think you need a dash between the ID and the.
Wait, what happened to? Also, wasn't there supposed to be like another, like more brackets here for scope for the method for this method? Is something missing? Like what? Oh, here.
Oh yeah, you're missing.
Oh, it's because I comment.
You're missing the open bracket on line.
This is all the way down.
7 or 6.
Oh, line 7.
I mean, yeah.
Or it's down here. I just didn't realize because I have this bad code commented out just as an artifact. Wait. So it should run.
I think you're missing the open. What is that called? The squiggly bracket.
It's.
Yeah, you're missing the opening one with that on line.
What did you call it, Corrupt? Did you say
curly brace?
Curly brace.
Curly brace. Yeah, there we go.
You can also.
You're missing the opening curly brace on line. I mean, after line 5, because you're declaring the method there, right? Public static string blah blah blah. You need a.
Oh damn! That's what I thought. But where did it? There should have been one there. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe I accidentally deleted it. Oh yeah, you're right. The curly brace. Also, if Python can use words like truthiness and snake case, then why don't we call the curly brackets squiggly wigglies? The curly braces.
Wiggly wiggly.
Aren't you enjoying saying that?
I think I'm gonna call it that for now.
Thank you. I'm gonna call them squiggly wigglies too, and then see how many people unfollow me.
Oh, also I'm wondering on line 19. I'm looking at the expected, and it looks like there's another dash after the ID before the name. So they might need to.
Oh wow! Okay, I did miss that. You're right. We do have it. We're supposed to have another one here. Okay.
This is close, but I don't think this works.
And you're missing a thing. You're missing the semicolon-y boy on
semicolon-y boy? Where's the boy supposed to go?
Your line 19 is missing.
Oh, 19. Wait,
line 19 is missing a semicolon.
Oh, I don't know. See, Python is still confusing me. even though it's been a few days.
And also you're missing the plus between the string and the other string.
Am I really? No way. Oh my god, no way.
You have syntax errors absolutely everywhere is what I'm hearing?
No, he said he would hire me for Google. I'm fantastic. He said I have a chance. He said maybe. Quoting directly.
That's the equivalent to, I'll talk to you later.
No, it definitely means
I'll get
yes.
Back to you eventually. I'll get back to you eventually.
HR will contact you at a later time.
No, at a later time. Oh my god, my heart can't take this. Dang. Okay. Well, damn, you're good. Okay, Win. You know what? You're so awesome that but I did the last 2 exercises in C#, but I'm gonna switch tracks. I'll show you what I'm working on in Python because I just got to the next exercise. Now, I read all the introduction about this, blah blah blah. Now I'm on the actual instructions of what I'm supposed to do. It's about blackjack, I guess. I forgot how to play this game too. Also, do you know how to play blackjack?
No. I think it's like you need to. I forgot. You needs to equal 21 or something.
Yeah, and if it goes over, you lose. If it, I think the idea is a dealer deals you cards, and he deals them one at a time. And if you say, "Give me another card," he'll give you another. But if you go over 21, then you lose your money, and you give it. And then if you're closer to 21 than the dealer himself, then you beat the dealer or something like that. I actually don't know, but there's something. I forgot. I used to know how to play this game. In this exercise, you're going to implement some rules of blackjack, such as the way the game is played and scored. Oh, just some rules, though. In this exercise, A means ace, J means jack, queen, Q means queen, blah, blah, blah. Jokers are discarded. Standard French suited 52 card deck is assumed. In most versions, several decks are shuffled together for play. Calculate the value of a card. Blackjack is up to each individual player if an ace is worth 1 or 11 points. Up to each individual... Okay, more on that later. Face cards, jack, queen, king, are scored at 10 points, and any other card is worth its pip, or numerical value. Oh, that's it. Pip. It's pretty cute. Define the value of card.
What does pip actually mean? Because, you know, in Python there's a thing called pip.
No, I did not. What is that?
Yeah.
Python.
It's like a package manager. But I just realized that I don't know what the word pip means in English.
What if it stands for, like, see, this says Py. What if it stands for Python package? The pip, and then the P is the package? What if it did?
I don't know if it stands for anything, actually.
Oh.
Does corrupt no?
Because of what? No?
I don't know.
Oh, does corrupt no? Oh, corrupt doesn't like Python, so.
Okay.
I don't
Yeah.
Python.
Fight.
Python.
Just kidding. I would, no. Anyway. Define, function with parameter card. The function should return the numerical value of the passed-in card string. Let's see if I can remember Python after all the C# stuff I just did. Oh, what was I again? Oh my god. Oh no, I went up too far. Oh god.
It is not. Oh.
You know what? Oh, maybe I should just read through all the instructions. But it could be fun just to like open the code editor and keep the instructions open and just work on it one at a time. You know, I'll just do that. Because it'll be more exciting for everyone else. And I'll just start one at a time working through the functions at once. So this one...
Okay, I have a question for you.
What's your question?
Which flag has a bluish purple background and a picture of a bird in the upper left hand corner? And like
a bird?
Yeah. Do you remember which one has a bird?
I just know that I thought Totori, like the symbol in the middle, looked like a bird to me. Sniff.
Yeah, that's the one.
It's Totori? No way.
Yeah.
Oh.
You got it.
Wow. I did it. Yes.
That's why it has a bird in it, because it has Tori in the name. But
I wondered about that. I was like, is it a coincidence? But it just feels I like that. Actually, that might be my favorite prefecture flag because I think that one's pretty cute. I was just saying before you even came into the stream, I was telling Corrupt, I was like, I like birds because he was like upgrading the birds to carry the virus or whatever. I'm just like, yeah, I like birds. They're cool. And did you know, Wind, that birds are actually dinosaurs? Like they're not, their ancestors weren't dinosaurs, but they were, but birds are actually dinosaurs. Like they belong in that class, that family. They're the only dinosaurs that survived.
Well, that's cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah. So dinosaurs, the truth is dinosaurs never actually went extinct. It's just those big ones that did. But no one cares about birds, so birds are really cool.
Wait, does that mean dino nuggets are technically correct then?
Yes. Technically, they're actually are dino nuggets. They are made from actual dinosaur meat. That's crazy. I never thought about dino nuggets like that. Does this change?
Let's see what the question or what
Oh
the...
yeah. Function with parameter card. Okay. Function should return the numerical value of the passing card string. Since an ace can take on multiple values, 1 or 11, this function should fix the value of an ace card at 1 for the time being.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it could be 1 or 11, that's right. Should fix the value. Oh, just for 1 for now. I see. Later on you'll implement a function to determine the value of an ace card, given an existing hand. Okay. Yeah, that's simple. I can do this. For sure. I'm gonna keep the comments.
Okay. So
Delete pass. Oops. So
you
if
need some
time, right? And then I don't.
you should use.
Do you use these too? And I forgot if you use these in Python.
You should use 4 levels of space in Python.
4 indent 4 times?
Yeah.
No way. I wasn't doing that before. Thank you.
Wait, no.
Oh wait,
I mean,
oh.
One tab is I'm not sure about how it works in this
Here?
IDE, but I think usually that 1 tab is equal to 4 spaces.
Oh, okay. I tabbed once. 1.
But is
oh,
yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. And then here's a tab.
There actually is like a tab. What do you call it? Like a Unicode character for tab.
I
it's
see.
technically different from spaces, but if you use spaces, you can use either 1 tab or 4 spaces.
Okay.
So, yeah. But yeah.
Yeah. I forgot if you use these. I think you use this if. Oh wait, how do I? I'm gonna have to use like a lot of if statements, right? Like a ton. There's no way to avoid that. Oh wait,
yeah,
only for ace and jack.
Like,
or maybe only 3. I don't think about it. Actually, oh, I could put these into else and just return the number that's being passed. Like I can start with.
I think you can cheat by, for case number 3. There already is a method in Python to convert a string of a number to the number.
Probably some parse thing.
Oh, wait, what data type are they passing me? Actually, you know, I just remembered Python is weird because it just picks its data types for you. That's so weird. So what are they going to pass me, an int, or are they passing me a string? Like, what is card?
They're going to pass you an object.
String. Oh, it has to be a string because they're using Jack, Queen, King. This is not an int.
Line 11 says it's a string.
Oh.
It's just a comment, but...
Oh, thank you. Int, value of a given card. And then we're returning string back. Oh, wait, no. What are we supposed to return back?
Return int. On line 12, int, yeah.
I did, thank you. Thank you. Oh, yeah, string given card, int, value of a given card. I see.
And you can put type annotations in Python, but they're optional, which is annoying if they don't. they don't use them. But...
Oh yeah, and then didn't you tell me that the type notation, like it doesn't actually make it that type? It's just like a reference for the programmer to like be like, oh yeah, it should be this type, I think.
Yeah, it doesn't do anything. It's
That's
just
sad.
For...
JavaScript kind of has that too.
JavaScript? Oh.
Yeah, it kind of has that.
That's interesting.
It's mostly helpful when you're using an IDE that is only can give you suggestions better.
Mm-hmm. Hey, by the way, Wayne, I know I'm going off on a tangent for a second here, but I've had a lot of people just randomly come into my chat when I'm like coding and be like, oh, the first thing they say is like, you need to learn like brain truck and JS truck. Like
that's just if it's those ones brain fuck JS fuck, those are literally just jokes.
They're just memeing.
They're memeing. Have you heard of those, Win? Do you know that meme?
I have.
Oh,
yeah.
You have? Okay. Hey, and you say they're just memeing, but you're one of those people back in the day. Well, it wasn't that long ago, but where you were like, you need to learn JS truck. I was like, what? Just saying. But now, yeah, now we're friends, so you would never meme or troll on me ever again.
Well, that's what friends do to each other.
Nah. Just kidding. If a
Python doesn't do squiggly wigglies.
Oh,
For...
no squiggly wigglies.
You put curly braces in Python?
No, I didn't. No, he was just reminding me. I didn't do that. He was just reminding me Python doesn't do it. Right, Wind?
Did they put squiggly braces in Python?
Do you want to keep your moderator status? Just kidding. I tease.
I think my client pleads the fifth on this one.
I plead the fifth on this one. Thank you, my helpful lawyer.
Video evidence.
I plead the... Damn it. There. I plead the fifth. You're clever.
I plead the 69th.
You can't plead that. No. If a... No, okay. Then, and you just... Okay. Oh, wait, I should make a variable, and then I'll just return at the end everything at what I want. So just like... Wait. Oh, I can't say int. I can just... What if I want to make an int, but have the int be empty?
I don't think you can do that.
Oh, okay.
In Python.
Oh, okay. So I'll just...
Like declaring an uninitialized variable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It isn't like a thing.
It's not a thing. I'll remember that. Okay, so I'll just return then. That's fine. Return 1. Oh god. Like this. And then...
Yeah, so,
okay.
Yeah, you need a... Instead of having the squiggly wigglies, you need a colon. I mean, a colon. The one with 2 dots.
Oh god. Oh my god, it looks messed up.
No. I mean, no.
Oh.
On line 18.
18. Oh yeah, this is so weird. Why do you put them here?
It's basically the equivalent of the squiggly wiggly.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
But without the following squiggly wiggly down here. Just like one squiggly wiggly. Okay, I think I'll remember that.
Wait, no, yeah, you don't need the closing. That's fine. Oh, but you need to check if thing equals A, not just if A.
Oh yeah, if you're right, not just if. Oh my god. All right, if the Google person will get back to me. What about Facebook? Did I get hired? I gotta go through all the FANG companies. Dang it.
I'm not sure if we had a competitive pool of applicants during this.
Netflix.
Right.
I'm sorry, the position has already been filled.
Why are you both the hiring people? This is not fair. I'm trying... Dang it. Okay. Wait, what company...
That's the response you're gonna get.
Damn it. I need to find a company that's struggling, like, they're struggling to get employees. What would be appropriate? Twitch? No way. What companies, like... What company's in hot water right now? They'll take me, hopefully.
Mr. Beast.
I'll be... Mr. Beast, he'll hire me as his developer.
I want to ask a question.
Oh yeah, if...
Sorry. Like, in order to work with Mr. Beast, you have to be on the registry.
Oh, well, that'll be a problem.
You could get on the registry.
I guess any of us could do anything we want, but that'll be a problem. If card equals...
In Python, you actually don't need the the parentheses.
Oh?
It's not wrong to have them there, but you don't need them, yeah.
Cool. I'll put one with parentheses and one, and then the rest won't have parentheses, just to remind myself that it can work. I know that probably, like, don't let it bother you too much. It's for learning purposes. It looks like this. Okay, please. Sorry. Forgive me. So can I say, because you have the or thing, but can I do it like this? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you just say if card equals blah 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 blah.
J.
Or there's a kind of Python-y way of doing it.
Python.
Let me type it in the chat.
Yeah. That's cool.
This is like a pattern that comes up a lot. I've typed it in the.
Thank you. Ew! Wow.
Line 137 says if card in J, Q, K.
Basically, you're checking if the card is a member of that list.
Of that. Oh yeah, that's a list. Yeah. Okay. Wow.
Yeah, that's a common way of writing it.
Okay, I really like that.
If you do it your way, you actually need to say if card equals J or card equals Q or card equals J.
Wait, did I just make a comment? Is this a comment? Like what I just did?
No, you opened a string.
Oh yeah, I opened. Yeah. How comment in Python? I already forgot.
Single line comment is
single. This one? Oh, wait, no.
Is what's it called? The pound sign, the one on top.
Oh, thank you. Pound.
Yeah. Or I feel like there's a more proper name for it. Can't think of it.
Okay, I'm gonna make a comment and say, this works, but it's not the Python way.
Wait, it doesn't work.
Oh.
Wait.
Okay, wait.
You need to say.
Did you just laugh? You did not.
It wasn't me.
Okay, no, I know. I meant corrupt in the background. Did he just? No, he didn't. He's busy. He's busy being brutalized in brutal difficulty right now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Sorry, Win.
No. It needs to be if you do it your way. It needs to be if card equals J, or card equals Q, or card equals K.
Oh. Okay.
The way you wrote it.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Equals K.
But it's kind of annoying because it looks kind of long, right?
It does. And then you have to type a lot, too.
Yeah.
This isn't C#. This is Python. This works.
Yeah. Or I think it would be the equivalent of, like, pipe.
Mm-hmm.
Or what is the name of that vertical bar thingy? Like two vertical bars.
Two vertical bars. The or?
Yeah. Yeah, it's basically the same as that. That's what or is. Yeah.
Thank you. And then there's a name, that Python style guide, the official one, is like so weird. Like it has a weird name and it looks like a meme document, but it's like the actual one. Like it starts with like a weird quote from Gandalf. Or something. You know what I'm talking about? Is the Python style guide. Like what do you call your style guide? It's called like something.
The Zen Python or something.
No.
Is that what it
what
is?
Is his name? It's like, do I have two of these open? Oh wait, no. I can go back. What was it? It was weird. Is it linked here? Let's see. I think it was talked about in the instructions here. There was like a link to it. And I opened it. And I was like, what? Or not. I don't know. Whatever. If I remember, I'll send it to you. I'm not hallucinating. I'm not an AI. It definitely happened, and it was very weird.
Do not hallucinate.
Do not. You have to command me if you don't want me. Yeah. Do not. Who hired that person at Apple? Wait, if they hired someone to literally prompt engineer and write "do not hallucinate," then I can get hired by Apple. Like, they could, in theory, hire me.
Go for it.
Heck yeah. I'll just be a prompt engineer and say "do not hallucinate."
The prompt is "do not hire."
Okay. Sorry. Took a sip of water. Okay, I'm gonna do it the Python way then. Because I have to learn. I want to blend in all the different programming language communities. I want to blend in like a chameleon. And they'll think I mean their language. You said if card in. And then a list. J.
Yeah,
That's cool.
Also the word list is kind of confusing. It's technically not a linked list, it's actually an array, but it's just called list.
Why do you say list then called an array? Why do you do this? Why does Python do this? I don't understand. Because C# has lists and arrays. So why do you have?
I don't know. I don't make the rules.
Okay. The classic. I don't make the rules. So then you just don't use the word array at all when you talk about Python? You just always say list?
Kind of, yeah. There is
wow.
There is a thing called NumPy. It's like an external library.
Yeah.
It's like from from matrices and stuff like that. Yeah, those they call them arrays, like arrays and numbers, and those are a different data type, I guess. But Python, I don't think Python has a native implementation of list, like linked list, actually.
Oh, okay. Well, okay. So interesting. Card in.
Yeah, you need the colon too.
Oh yes, that's right. Colon. I'll get it eventually. Return 10. Is that what they want it? Face. Oh, 10. Yeah, face card. And then else. Colon. Return. Oh, there must. Define value card.
Actually, for this last part,
convert?
I'm going to.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm going to leave it up to you to use your power of Googling.
Oh, I can do. Yeah, I got this. Watch me. I get this. Right. You definitely have a method.
There we go.
Can be converted into an integer using built-in function like int. Thank you. Int 10. Wait, no. I want the, what is it called? Pip? Oh no, discard. Yay!
Yeah, assuming, like no one passes in banana as the value of card in the test case.
Yes. Thank God I don't have to think about that possibility. All I have to do is pass their simple tests. And they never change, too. At first, I said this to Corrupt. I was like, I think they're, like, changing the data that they're passing in every time you refresh the page. But no, it's just the same. So you can just cheese it for some of these. And you can solve it in ways that they don't want you to, since they're not like changing. But yeah, who would put in banana? Not you. You don't even like bananas, so you wouldn't do that. You wouldn't do that.
Also, this solution is technically correct. It's fine, but usually it's usually it's more like idiomatic to say if then if then else. I mean,
oh.
they're equivalent in this case, but I mean, usually if you have if a thing, do a thing. If another thing, then do another thing. And
I see.
Yeah. But do you know the difference between elif and just having two if statements?
Let me think about it. Oh, well, yeah. So if you had a elif, then only one of those two, and it possibly could execute. But if you have two ifs, then you technically this could trigger, and you'd be like, oh, it does something here, and then this if could trigger too, as being true, and then it could return something, or it could do some work here. But elif would make it force it to pick one. But in this case, it doesn't matter. But yeah, in other cases, it would. I'll put elif.
Also, I think this is true in C# also, based on what I saw in the previous example. But the moment you say return, the function is done.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
You're right. So then it couldn't.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it would only pick one anyway.
So technically, you wouldn't even need the else on line 24. You could just return int card. But it's fine. It's fine the way it is.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm just saying. Yeah.
I'm gonna make a comment though. Technically.
Because I noticed, I didn't point it out, but in the last example, you had some unreachable code at the end of the last return statement, but it kind of bothered me. But
oh, did I really in the C# one?
Yeah.
I want to learn all these like little things, like how even if the code runs, like it's really interesting to me. And it's good to build. It'll be easier to build good habits earlier on than later when I'm like just used to doing the same thing over and over again. Right now I'm not even used to doing stuff. That's why I keep forgetting the squiggly wigglies and the semicolons and the colons and all the things. That's a joke too, because I'm not actually formally admitting to doing that because I plead the fifth. But if I did it, then that's
I think that was the name of the book written by.
I know. That's what I was trying to reference. Like, if I did it, then it would have been like that, but I obviously didn't. But so I was just making a joke. You can say anything as long as you're like, just a joke. Just kidding. I kid. I'm just super curious. Let's see, what could I have? Where was that exercise? Oh, and I was able to do, remember the log analysis one that you kind of walked through? I was able to do it with a lot of corrupt, well, not completely by myself, but corrupt helped me out a lot. Didn't you, corrupt? Remember the log thing?
Yeah.
Analysis, and he actually opened up his visual, it was really nice of him, his visual studio, and walked me through like my dumbness in math. It was a math problem. I was making a lot of math mistakes.
Was it an off by one error?
I know. I thought it wasn't being off by one error.
So what it was is that you had to like take find what was between two substrings. So it's like a start and an end. What they were doing wrong was they had in one part use the right index, which is the first substring plus the length of that thing. Or actually the index of the right substring minus the index of the left plus the length of the left. So that would give you pretty much the length of the string. What they had is they were using the right left index for the dot substring method to get the substring, but they weren't using the right left index to get the length. They were just using the index of the left, not that plus the length of the left.
I see.
Wow, you understood the explanation just from the. I always get lost when things are like explained in sentences. I guess I need to start drawing more flowcharts.
Wait, I avoided that problem because I just baked that into the just an index left and index right. They were doing whatever the hell they named it. Something left,
right. Whatever the hell. Ow, my feelings.
What did you name it?
I actually, well, I took a note of what happened. Well, did I? Oh, I've deleted my crap code. I only have the one that worked. I don't know. What did I do?
I don't know what you named it, but they didn't put the plus thing dot length inside of the left.
I knew I should have kept it. I should have kept my bad code. But yeah, what I had is, I did this for this part. I did delimiter index second minus delimiter index first. But I didn't have this plus 1 dot length thing. And it made it not work. Sad.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Because I failed to understand that what they're passing in, like, you need to find the length of that. Because that whole thing, like, not just the start index, but you want the length of it because you don't want that in the final result. Otherwise, it, like, what they're passing in, like, you get a bunch of extra characters if what they're passing in is more than one character. Like, it works if they pass in one character, so I was like, oh, I'm doing it right, but then as soon as they pass in more characters into it, it just breaks because you have to subtract all those characters, something like that. Good times, good memories. Yay.
Yeah, they screw up their indexes.
Indexes. Good memories. Okay, so what was the one that I was doing just a second ago? Oh, was it phone number analysis? No. Oh, I didn't submit. I need to submit it. Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna submit it yet. I'm gonna fix it first. So continue and edit.
Something to do with badges or something. Oh yeah, this line 46. What is that?
Oh, I like keeping these because it gave it to me. I don't need it. It's not gonna do anything. But this is the code comes with this as a boilerplate. I just keep all the boilerplate stuff.
Yeah, but you shouldn't. You shouldn't.
You shouldn't.
Do you know what does that code actually do on line 46? Do you know?
Yeah. So if
what does it do?
If this is all empty, well, if it reaches this line, it's gonna throw a compiler error and say, and then you'll get a text dialog that says, "Please implement this."
Compiler error.
Well, it won't run, and it will just yell at you and be like, "Hey," because it's a custom exception, like, you know, where you can define what your exception is, and it will yell at you and be like, "Please implement the method because it doesn't exist." It's Python.
That doesn't sound like a compiler error.
Is that not an error or exception?
It's not a compiler
error and a runtime error.
Oh, is this called runtime error?
Yeah, compiler error is your code literally doesn't build and doesn't run in the first place.
Okay, it's built.
Runtime error is the code has an error while it's running.
This is a runtime error, or should I say that?
Like it.
Okay. Yep. This is a. Yeah. Runtime error.
But the thing is implemented already. So why do you have a not implemented error?
I don't know.
People usually only use the not implemented error when it's not implemented.
I know. It's because
you do that thing when there's code that you're going
to write
but you have not written yet.
But I also, for example, like they're like, I don't need this either. I could delete all this. And sometimes they give instructions in code comments. Like, they give instructions like, please, like, implement this. And I always keep them. Just so that when I look back... I wouldn't do this, if it was my actual code, I wouldn't ever do this. I would delete it. But just so I can go back and remember, oh, this is the syntax for exceptions.
Right now when you're not doing that.
It's not my code. It's their problem that I'm...
Right now.
Well, they gave me this. I'm just honoring that they gave me this. I don't know. It's just so I can review it. Here, I'll make a comment if it makes you feel better. I'll make a how do I do this? //
Yeah, but the important thing is that you understood that.
Oh yes, I do.
Yeah. Okay.
Just to remember the syntax of... Aha!
Throw new, not implemented. Okay.
Not implemented. It could even be like, no, never mind. Oh wait, no, I don't have to run all this again. Oh, whoever followed, thank you. That wolf house, so cool. Oh. Oh, it's a
Williams _00.
Hold on, I'm blocking the TTS. That's just a bot. It's not a real person. Well, it is a real person, but they're trying to like sell me Steam overlays and stuff. I don't want to buy Steam overlays. I don't want to buy, what is it? Steam overlays and what's the other thing they sell? I forgot. I don't want to buy those things. No, thank you. Ever.
Sure.
And I don't want you to sell those to me on Discord. Go 50% of the time it's one of those bots, to be honest. I'm used to it. Oh yeah, submit. And I'm gonna share it with the community so that they can cringe seeing the exception that I didn't actually delete. Okay. So
Corrupt Converter says buy followers, primes, and subs at twitch.tv/salttoserenity.
You're funny crap. Oh, now that you commented though, I can finally... Wait, how do I do it though? Wait, I think I do it like this. Let me try. /VIP corrupt
/VIP
converter. Yeah, there's another role. It's just cosmetic though. Hey! Okay, it worked. It just puts an icon next to people's names and it says VIP.
Nice.
He's helping me a lot.
Corrupt Converters.
Okay, I'm reading. Yes. You don't see it? Just refresh. It shows up for me. And you'll see it in the stream chat too, like on the actual video. But if you refresh, it should show up. I just did it. Higher card.
It's like comparison.
Looks like it. Determine which card is higher value. Find the higher card. Function having parameters card 1 and card 2. Okay. For scoring purposes, the value of Jack, Queen, or King is 10. Yeah. Oh yeah, so I can just reuse this. I can reuse what I just did for the scoring purposes. Function should return which card has the higher value for scoring. If both cards have an equal value, return both. Returning both cards can be done. Oh, if both... Oh, yeah, it makes sense. Return both cards can be done by using a comma. Return both! You can do that?
This kind of bothers me, the way they do this, because now the type of the thing returned by the function is uncertain.
Whoa, this is they call it uncertain?
Don't do this. No, it's no, I guess you have to because that's what it's telling you to do. No, it's returning in Python when you do this.
Yeah.
What it's doing is there's a data type called tuple.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Tuples.
Yeah, so if you do value 1, comma value 2, what it actually returns is a tuple containing value 1 and value 2.
Okay.
I think it'd be fine if
But I guess they're saying if
out of your control, either returns an int or string.
Well, dude, you're talking so far away from your mic. Let me like raise your volume. I could barely hear you. Can you start over again?
Yeah, I think it'd be funny if you made it so
yeah.
The function that you call completely out of your control returns either an int or a string or an array or something, and like based on conditions completely out of your control. So you have no idea what you're going to be receiving, but one of them is at least the thing that you need.
Wow.
As like a one, you might make a function that has like a 1 in 5 chance to actually return the value that you're looking for.
That's evil. I feel like some evil coder who like hates their company and hates their job and hates their fellow employees. And
make your entire game based off of functions like that, so that way you have like a 1 in 200 million chance to actually launch the game.
Beautiful, beautiful. Returning 2 values.
And then it has like a 300,
K3.
a 1 out of 30,000 chance per frame to not crash.
Yeah. Did you say that you don't like the way they implemented this though? I know I have to do it, but like.
Yeah.
Yeah, the problem here.
I don't like it because that function higher card can return either an int or tuple. I don't know how do you pronounce it. But,
oh, you're right. Because if it only in the case where they're equal, you'll get a tuple. Or I don't know how it's pronounced either, so I just randomly say tuple, but it could, I don't know how to say this. But yeah. Or you're right.
I'm Googling it. Let's ask the dictionary.
That's so weird because in like C# you have to define what type it returns, and you can't just randomly be like return a tuple and then or return an int. Yeah. You can't do that. It's like you return one thing and one thing only. So now are you ready to give up Python and repent? Are you ready now? Is it time? It's time.
I don't like this idea here. So I guess you just be careful.
Okay, just be careful. Good.
Yeah.
Corrupt converter says me when return object.
Write your own. See now, on line 34 they say explicitly string or tuple.
Oh yeah.
So
or tuple.
Cambridge says the U.S. pronunciation is tuple. So let's listen to it.
Tuple? I had no idea. I was saying tuple the whole time on stream. No one corrected me. No one was like, "Oh, it's tuple." But you know what they did? Wait, what's your opinion on this? So you know the math language, the one that I think you can see my stream, like, but you know this one. Well, it's more like weird like this language, right? Well, this markup thing. This thing.
Right.
Yeah, but apparently I said it's not latex. Like they were like, no, it's not latex. It's latex. Like
some people pronounce it la-tech too, or
latex. Oh.
Or late. Because the X, I think it's supposed to be like T-E-X. It's supposed to be like Greek or something.
Oh.
Okay.
The X. Yeah.
Actually, but it shouldn't be tech. It's more like tech.
Oh God, I don't want to do that. Latex.
Yeah, no one does that. So.
Corrupt converter says a vast majority of people pronounce it latex.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just am not gonna do latex. That's like it's far too pedantic for me. But yeah,
I think in Japan people pronounce it dateku.
Dateku. I like that better.
Yeah.
Dateku.
It's weird.
That's cool. So just. Oh yeah, I need to. I think I need if. And then I'm gonna use the thing I just called value of card. GIF versus GIF, yeah.
Corrupt converter says because like fuck the intended pronunciation like the GIF vs GIF thing. If you wanted it pronounced a certain way, you should have spelled it that way.
Wait, are you not able to use your words, Corrupt, since you're here with us?
Wait, what?
Oh, cause Corrupt is in the VC with us, but he's using the chat, like the actual Twitch chat. Oh, okay. Oh no, not hurting you.
Corrupt converter says I took off my headset because it was hurting me.
Oh, that's sad. I see. Gotcha. Okay. Well, at least I can still check in on you from time to time, see how your Mega Brutal is progressing. It looks like. Yes. You'll get there. Where's my, okay, value card.
Watch the indent on line 40.
Oh, it matters.
Yeah.
It matters like a lot in Python. Like
You still should be indenting in
I
languages
know.
that have brackets.
That's true. Everyone keeps telling me that. That's true. Wait, what the hell? My bad. Card 1. Card.
Corrupt Converter says curly braces just make it easier to indent properly.
Look,
more often.
I did it by myself.
Right.
Yes.
Ooh. Yay.
Yay. Return. Doesn't. Oh, both. Oh, wait a second. I need. Oh, wait, no. There's card 1, card 2. But are these? What is it taking? String. But I need to return.
Yeah, this is also not good when they say string or tuple. You should specify tuple of what, too. But whatever.
Oh yeah, they really should. I guess there's strings too.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Oh wait, I need to do another. I need to see if one's greater than. Actually, I should have put this in the else. This should have been in the else, and then the if statement should be the comparison. So I don't have to like do it again. Oopsie.
This is a very kind of annoying thing, possibly.
Wait, I just thought and then like.
Wait.
Oh,
I'm going to say something.
Yeah, I see a problem already.
Wait, it's totally fine for this example since the inputs are like all simple. But you can't necessarily assume that, let's say A is less than B is false, and A is greater than B is also false. It doesn't necessarily mean that A equals B. There could be like some weird like,
what
in the comparison operators.
Really? Wait, what's that?
I'm sure JavaScript has tons of things like that, right?
Like what's an example? Like, how could it not be necessarily?
Yeah, A and B are nan. That's a good example.
Oh no, not nan. Oh no. Oh, it's so confusing.
But it's fine here since you know all the numbers are between 0 and 10 or whatever.
Can you briefly review nan with me?
Nan just means not a number.
Yeah, but it doesn't like something's only nan if you say it's nan. Like you have to set it equal to nan, and then it will be nan, or it will never become nan through an operation. It just won't.
It depends on. I'm not sure. In Python, sometimes you can get nans in like NumPy.
Oh, depending if they like put it in there when they made their library functions, like.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, I remember. It's for like working with complex numbers and stuff. It makes it convenient.
Yeah,
you have nan, right?
There are certain mathematical operations where nan could. Yeah. I think.
Corrupt Converter says chaos return type returns int if, otherwise returns float if, otherwise returns a string if, otherwise returns an array of ints if, otherwise returns a boolean if, otherwise returns a 32-bit color if, otherwise returns an HTTP request if, otherwise returns
that's this idea of
otherwise returns a file.
Okay, I'm sorry Craft, that's too many ifs. Did all that even oh nice, it showed up on the stream chat. But damn. Okay.
Yeah. Let's not write code that does that.
Let's not do that ever. Let's not make a tuple that looks like that ever. You didn't see that, and I didn't see that. Did we? Okay. Wait, why did I delete that? Wait, oh wait, I was writing it. Oh my god. Copy. Paste one. Wait, you know how? Oh wait. Packages import.
What's that?
Oh, okay. Colon. One thing I also don't like about Python, like, see how this colon was missing? Like, if this happened in C#, it just says, like, it literally tells you what line, and then it gives you an error. It's like, put a semicolon. But I feel like the error this throws, like, it's hard to tell, like, what's wrong. It just tells me the line, and I'm like, I can't, this is, like, hard to read. If I delete this, like, it's like, what is all this? Like, why is...
Can you scroll down? What is it? Can you scroll down all the way down?
Oh, expected. But why is it all the way in the bottom? Like, I know
because it's showing you. It's showing you the traceback.
Traceback. Oh wow.
Yeah. So actually, it's telling you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where the exception is coming from, like what exact module and what file it's.
Oh my god. Oh wow.
So it is actually helpful if you're.
It is.
If you're like. Yeah. Make sure to read the entire error message. Yeah. And also, like, for example, if you're working in a Python project, and, like, the error is coming from another file that's called from another file that's called from another file, this traceback thing, like, shows you the whole, like...
What file called which file called which.
Yeah.
So you know where the... Oh, okay. See, it actually has a purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Colon.
Wait, how does it work in C#? Does it show you the... Does it not show you the whole, like...
I don't think so. Part? There's not this, like, long list of text, if I remember correctly. Here.
Maybe in the specific case of the semicolon, it doesn't show you all. I'm not sure.
If I delete this semicolon... Yeah, see? It's a lot easier for my eyes to see. Put it back.
Yeah, C# uses.
Welcome.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. You see sharp, right? I like doing that. It's so fun. What the? There's a lot of these.
Corrupt converter says, but it tells you in what file, line, and column it failed to compile at.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I see.
Good balance. And Python just gives you the... like... everything. Everything. Oh yeah, hire card. What's next? Oh, I noticed too. I think that what's your opinion on this? I did want to ask you. So like if you look at C#, there's a lot in the like learning section. Oh yeah, sorry, learning section. Like look at the size of this tree. It like teaches you like some of the basic stuff with the language. It's pretty big. And then yeah, all the way down. Then look at the size of Python's tree. I was just wondering if you think that they're missing a lot, or do you just think Python is just a smaller language? Or in comparison to C#. Like, and then this is... That's it. Like,
Is that it?
That's it. This is the size of their Python tree. Isn't that like a little sad? They must be missing like a lot of interesting, more advanced
sad,
things. Oh yeah. Okay.
That's okay.
I just wanted to know if it's a little sad that they're missing it, or if Python's a sad language because they just don't have enough stuff. That's all.
I mean, Python definitely does have many sad aspects of it.
Oh, okay. Sad aspects.
But yeah, it doesn't look like it's as developed as the other course.
Gotcha. That's okay, I guess. I didn't want to main in Python. Okay.
And for these kinds of questions, I don't think the language matters too much. It's more like, can you understand what the question is trying, like, what kind of logical, operation you need to do.
Oh, did you know? Okay, so there was a video. Maybe I could ask you about this now that I have you here, because I don't know. I watched it and it really excited me because I just thought it was really cute. So there's this video. Let me find it. But this guy made like a simple Python project. It's like one of those like code along type things where you're supposed to just type what they show you. But he doesn't like explain everything that he does. He kind of briefly just gives you like a single sentence, but doesn't really go into detail. And like it was like a little thing with snowflakes. So like when you run it, like it writes a bunch of snowflakes in the, what is that thing? What is the window where when you run and then like the text comes up in the window? What is that window called? The text window? No.
The REPL?
REPL?
I'm not sure.
Oh, it's like console. That's what I wanted. Sorry. I explained it. I described it in such a weird way. You're probably just like, console. What the hell are you talking about? Console. Hi.
Hello.
Terminal. Or I guess
terminal.
Wait, terminal is like the computer terminal though, right? Console is like the terminal for the programming language, I guess. I actually don't know. But, okay. Where was it? What was
Corrupt
that
converter
channel's
says
name?
same thing pretty much.
I did want to ask about it, because I kind of want to make it too. But he used a lot of interesting things. He also used a lot of like library functions and stuff too. But one interesting thing was, well, okay, let me find it. Oh yeah, I just need to find what the channel's name was. So let me see if I remember. Oh, there it is. Okay. It was this one. Terminal. Oh, I guess it is a terminal. You could call it a terminal too. A terminal snowstorm. It was just
in this Christmas special, we use.
Oh god, it's loud. Okay, if I. What's that?
Python to make a snowstorm.
Oh god, I thought I muted it. But he just makes a little thing where like snow falls randomly in the terminal. It was really cute.
That's cool.
I know, but he did say something that was interesting. Like he said, okay, let me scroll up a little further. He said, for example, that you can. Where is it? This here, this like $25L. Like he said something like it removes something at the end of a line for you, or I don't know. He didn't really explain that. What did he say? Does that even look familiar?
Yeah.
What is that? It removes like characters or something. Like,
yeah, it's like what is the name for them? ANSI escape codes.
Oh yeah, he called it escape code. Are those? Is this like a Python special thing? Like, it doesn't sound like it. It sounds like it might belong to more languages. Escape code.
I think it's like a general thing with like terminals in general.
Wow.
There are like different codes. Like some of them like turn the color of the text red, or things like erase certain things.
Says, what was the question?
I didn't. Oh, I was asking him what the escape code, like what was going on here, and why is it so weird? Why is it like 25L? Like it's so random. And what did he say his does?
There's a bunch of There's a bunch of them that do a bunch of stuff.
Interesting. So you can't just look at this and immediately tell which escape code it is because there's so many of them. Like what one this is doing.
Yeah, I don't happen to know off the top of my head what 25L means.
Corrupt
I
converter says escape
use terminals
sequences.
a lot, but I can recognize that it is an escape.
Oh, cool. Let's see. What did he say? Let's see.
And then we'll print a very specific set of characters that will remove the cursor from the terminal. So that doesn't.
Oh, removes the cursor from the terminal or something. Apparently.
Oh, okay.
Weird. So then
Corrupt converter says well that one just looks like it's entering a Unicode character.
033 I think is escape, if I recall correctly.
Oh damn.
Corrupt converter says interesting. I wonder where that documentation is.
Yeah, this is. I did think this was really, really interesting. It just immediately caught my attention. Really, really interesting. So, okay. This is weird.
Obstruct the snow.
Weird. And it's also weird, too, that it looks like he's, like, making a string, and you think it would, like, print out this exactly. But then I guess that's what this slash is saying. Yeah, like, you would have to use, like, a double slash if you wanted it to print out this exactly, like, the actual 033.
033 is an octal number.
Oh, octals, yay!
Yeah. So I think that's what 27, right? Can I do math? Yeah, that's 27. Yeah, so slash 033, it prints that Unicode character corresponding to that octal code. And, yeah, if you wanted the backslash to come out, you'd have to use 2 backslashes. Be slash 033 if you wanted to literally print that.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
How does? Like what if you well, okay. Octal. So you said that you think this escape thing, including the octal part though, that's the new part. This octal part should be in like all languages when using the terminal. It's just somewhere in the documentation, maybe. Or
right. Yeah, I think this has to do with the implementation of the terminal itself, not with the programming language.
Oh.
Yeah. Because this 033, that's why they're called escape codes, because they start with the character escape.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then.
Octal.
Yeah.
Super cool.
So that logic of like clearing the cursor or whatever should be handled by.
Cool. Did you know that, Kraft? Did you know you could clear the cursor from the terminal by doing this weird thing with octal, with escape code and then, yeah. That's cool. What else? Did he? I don't know. I think that was the main thing, honestly, that I was just like, what? Because he didn't go into detail about what was happening. The whole thing was kind of... terminal stuff, yeah.
I did not know that you could do that. I haven't looked too far into terminal stuff.
Hey, terminal stuff is important, because if you want to be able to do this... Yay! See, look how cute it is. It's just like a video game. It's perfect. You have to admit, this is a really cute program.
That's pretty cool.
I know, it's adorable. Like it's.
Is there like some geometric pattern to the snowflakes, or is it just like randomized or something?
Oh, it's randomized.
Cool.
Yeah, but there's snow density and delay. You had those up there. There's no pattern. It's basically a snow density, random not random, and snow density divided by 100, and then it like
cool.
Yeah, puts more rows in or whatever. Yeah, it's interesting.
Maybe if you learn a little more about Python, we can walk through what this code does.
Yay! Okay, then I'll have to learn more about Python. I'm motivated to learn more about Python because I want to make snowflakes. so that Google will hire me and be like, look, Google, I made snowflakes during the interview. They'll definitely hire me then. They'll be like, wow, those are some cool looking snowflakes for sure. Okay, right.
Oh yeah, we need to compare whether the thing is bigger than the other thing. Whatever,
if thing bigger than other thing, do something. Big thing. Wait, didn't I? Oh yeah, you're right. Wait, calculate the value of an ace is the next one.
Oh, I think we just haven't solved it yet.
I solved it. What the? Yeah, I solved it. See? That's 2.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I meant the value of an ace.
Oh yes, we have not solved it yet. Nope. As mentioned before, an ace can be worth either 1 or 11 points. Players try to get as close as possible to a score of 21 without going over 21, which is going bust. To find the value of ace, function parameters card 1 and card 2, which are a pair of cards already in the hand before getting an ace card. Already in the hand. Wait, I have to think about this. Okay, so you already have 2 cards and you draw an ace. Your function will have to decide if the upcoming ace will get a value of 1 or a value of 11 and return that value. Remember, the value of the hand with the ace needs to be as high as possible without going over 21. Oh, that's what it is. So if it will go over 21, then the value is going to be counted as a 1 to benefit the player, because going over 21 is bad. Otherwise, it'll always be counted as 11. If you already have an ace in hand, then the value for the upcoming ace will be 1.
Sounds good.
Yeah, 6 plus 10, 16, 17, 7 plus 10, so then it would be 1. Okay. But maybe I should think about the logic before I start typing anything.
Right, that's always good.
Yeah.
Wait, in blackjack, does your hand always only have 2 cards in it? Is that how it works?
Maybe, actually. It's been I don't remember, honestly. If there's any blackjack experts who know how to play blackjack, please comment if you're around. I thought it was like they just draw you a card and then you say like, they're like, do you want me to draw, like, do you want to draw another? And you're like, hit me, and then they draw you another, and then you keep going until you get as close as possible to 21. I thought.
I remember when I took like probability class,
we
learned about a bunch of different card games, but I forgot all of them already.
Oh, that's cool. Did they make you play them? That sounds kind of fun for a class.
No.
Oh, you just learned like the rules. Okay. A little sad.
I like calculating the probabilities of stuff.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
See, if you actually played it, you might have remembered it. But because you just had to calculate the probabilities, you instantly forgot what the rules were afterwards, because it's not any fun. Okay, so just add together. So the first step will just be always have to add the 2 cards together.
Right.
And then by default, I think... Oh, wait. So I need to find the highest value that it possibly could be before it turns to 1. That's what I need to find. Like right now, before I start coding. That would be 21 minus 11. 20... 10? So if it was... If we drew a 10... Or if these numbers added up to a 10, then 11... Wait, 10 plus... would be 21. So if it's over 10... That's what... Okay. Add the numbers up. If over 10... it's an ace. It has to be counted as an ace. Oh yeah, I'm glad I actually talked about this before writing, because I would have just wrote a bunch of random math and been like, oh my god, my math doesn't work, but I don't understand why.
Yeah, don't do that.
Okay.
This is
I
good,
usually do that. Cool. So, value of card. Wait, do I want to use if though? I mean, I need to add them. Yeah, I can use an if and then add them in here. If.
Sure. Go for it.
Okay, yay. Card 1 plus card 2.
What are the types of card 1 and card 2?
less than. Oh. Oh, wait, it's putting in what I just look at the input and stuff too. Card 1, card 2, string. Oh. I know what you're saying. I need to get the...
If only someone had implemented a function to calculate the values of the card.
I know. I have a good idea. I'll just write that function right now from scratch. Because that's what programmers do. You're right. Okay. Fine. Value of card. Good point. Thank you. 1 plus card. Value of card. Card 2.
How is your plague ink going?
Are you winning? Are you winning, son? Are you winning? Let's see. Actually, let me switch back to that and take a look. News Plague Domain goes viral. Oh, he just restarted it. I believe in you. You can do this. Just find a bug that gives you infinite DNA points. I know you can find that bug. You're good at finding bugs in games. Also, something funny when Corrupt, just like you know, like, I told Corrupt about you when, like, you have any type of program, you always, like, try to break it. And it's awesome, but Corrupt always does that. That's why I said that, because Corrupt, like, whenever he's playing a game, he always tries to find a way to, like, break the game or find a bug. And that's just, like, that is the programming spirit. That's the coder mindset, I think. If you have something, try to break. What was I doing again? Plus... Okay, so... Greater than 10. What do I need to return? In either 1 or 11. Return of the upcoming ace card. Else. Return 11. And then we pray it runs, and that's really it. Just pray. So, colon. I couldn't stop the test in time. Oh no, another colon!
The rough converter says I already found a way to quickly get all the buffs you can put on your virus by using a save to repeatedly run the final second of a run and keep getting wins.
Oh, nice! So you found a good strat. I knew you'd find something. A way to take advantage of the game. Its mechanics. Okay. It failed. Well, at least it ran, but it didn't. Oh, what's my? I have my actual result. With test failure. Oh wait, I can look at each one. Oh wait. Okay. This one down here. What? But it's not giving me the value to see the. Oh, here in test failure. 11 is not equal to 1. Cold value of ace 2A. So when 2A is passed in, it failed for some reason. So I guess I just have to imagine passing in 2 and A. Oh.
I see what the problem is.
You do? I wonder if I can like see this.
I won't say what it is.
Oh, but... okay. 2 and A should be 3. Damn it, so it should be 11. So add them together. 2, 3 is greater than 10. No, it's false. Return 11. Wait, it should return. Why is it returning 1? Because 2. It says it's a 2 and ace.
Okay,
and by default, it's considered 1.
Let's read the code first.
3.
First of all, are we expecting the answer to be 11 or to be 1?
Oh, greater than 10. I think. I'm expecting the answer for the first one to be 1. If this is like a super basic math thing, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
How about this? If I have 2 cards...
You have 2 cards.
I have 2 cards,
yes.
One of them is 2 and one of them is ace. In that scenario, what should the value of ace be?
Oh! I thought they meant if you draw a 3rd card. Like if you have 2 cards and then draw a 3rd card.
Right, but think about the moment you draw the 2nd card. When we draw the 2nd card, what should the value of ace be?
I thought it was always 1 in this case. Maybe I'm making up my own rules, and that's not really what it's supposed to be. Is it? I guess not.
The value of ace is calculated so that it's always closest to 21, right?
Oh no! Even for the 2nd card, I thought it was only for the 3rd card onward. I just interpreted it like that, but that's.
I think it's for all of the cards. Like
okay.
the value of ace is should be set in such a way that it's always closest to but less than 21.
Okay. Did it even say, or did I just imagine it about... Oh, okay. They're not even drawing another card, it only... Okay, I see.
Oh, there's a hint right there.
Where?
Did you miss it?
I did? Hint?
Yeah.
Oh, if we already have an ace in hand, then the value for the upcoming ace will be 1. I assumed an ace in hand meant, like, there's an ace here, and then you draw a 3rd card and get another ace.
But the 3rd card is always an ace. That's the point of the question, right?
Oh, okay. In that case, if there were 2 aces, like one you draw an ace like over here, and then you draw an ace. You're right, and then you're seeing if value of ace. Then this complicates things. It's not as simple of a problem as I thought it was. Okay. I guess I need to think about the logic again.
Wait, read what the hint says again.
Okay.
And see if you understand what it's trying to say.
Oh, if we already have an ace in hand, it'll always be 1. So, the first thing to check for, let's put this down here for now, is if there's an ace at all. If any of these cards is equal to an ace.
Right.
And then I can do the in thing, because that's what they do in Python. I'm going to try to do that. How do you do this? In... Because I think you can do something with in. Like that keyword that you use with something being in a...
Right. You could do that.
I want to try... Is it like if 1... Oh wait, because ace. Because it's a string, right? It's being passed in. Oh, okay. If ace in card 1, or wait, card 1. Did you do it like this?
It's a list, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a list.
Yeah. In checks the membership of a list, yeah.
Thank you.
Or it could be any, yeah.
Oh.
Like that, yeah.
Cool. If A in card.
You could even join the 2 if statements on 55 and 60 if you like, but.
I could?
Yeah, if one of those cards is an ace, or if the value of those things is bigger than 10.
Oh,
yeah,
awesome.
That always fine too, but.
I like that. Nice. Return 1.
But do you understand why the value has to be 1 if there's 1 ace in the hand?
I guess. Well, if I run through the cases, I'm glad. Thank goodness for the hint, and they didn't actually make me solve it for myself. But so I'm guessing if we say it was 11, because I guess we could do a contradiction, because there will be no contradiction. Well, If it was 11, if 1 ace was 11, and then I don't know, there were 2 aces. It was like, oh wait, so not ace, but maybe like 11, and then a small number like 2. Then it would be 13. That's over 10.
Right.
If you had like,
Right.
yeah. Oh, it's always
Right.
yeah, it's always over 10. So it
Right.
yeah, it fulfills this condition just by being 11.
Right, you got it.
That's
Because,
why.
yeah, 11 plus 11 is 22. Right? So like
Yeah.
21. Yeah.
And 11, even if there was a 0 card, like you could have a 0, which doesn't exist, like 0, and then you drew an ace. 11 plus 0 is still over 10. So the next card has to be 1.
Yeah.
Anyway, it doesn't even. Yeah. Wow. Why do I overcomplicate things so much? I'm like, oh, it's too complicated to figure out, like, to do the numbers. But, oh. Dang it. Okay, thank you. Yay. Maybe determine a natural or blackjack hand. If the first 2 cards a player's dealt are an ace and a 10 card, then the player has a score of 21. Ace and a 10 card. Because that's, oh yeah, the ace of 21. This is known as a blackjack hand. Define the is blackjack card 1, card 2 function with parameters card 1 and card 2, which are a pair of cards. Determine if the 2 card hand is a blackjack. Turn the boolean true if it is, false otherwise. The score calculation can be done in many ways, but if possible, we'd like you to check if there is an ace and a 10 card in the hand. Oh, I know they're saying it can be done in many ways, but I want to do what they want. Like, follow whatever they say, like, that I should do or could do. Or at a certain position, as opposed to summing the hand values. Oh, okay, so this is when we use, like, a boolean. Or at a certain position. Or at a certain position. Why does this matter? Why are they specifying this? At a certain position.
I don't know. Why are they specifying it?
Oh, dang! Not you reflecting the question back. Do you think this is useless information? I guess not. Why would they specify? Because if the cards are in hand, but it doesn't matter because it'll still add up to the same number because of the commutative property of addition or whatever. Or that's for multiplication probably, or I don't know. But at a certain position,
addition is commutative, but I think they're asking you. I think if I'm understanding what this is saying.
Yeah.
I think what they're saying is rather than just converting the things into numbers and summing them up and seeing if they're equal to 21, they want you to try to solve the problem by seeing, is one of the cards an ace and is one of the cards a 10?
Oh, and then, or it just is making it clear, they're just like reasserting, because it could be at this position or that position. Okay.
Right.
I don't know, it just threw me off for a second. I see. That's easy. More of this. And I think I can do it in again. Wait, if I want to see if it's or. Do you think I could use in here? Because it's going to be 2 things. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Like, could an in statement be used with this particular one they're asking for?
I'll just tell you that in is used for checking membership of
lists
of something inside of a single item inside a list.
Oh,
so
single item. Because just like we did.
Yeah, does that list contain a Q in it or whatever, or an A? Yeah.
Okay, so I don't think so. Because it's like 2 things on like both sides. Like if this card or this card is either this card or this card. So I don't think so. I don't think I can do it within.
Yeah, there are a few ways you could go about this.
Oh wow! Not just one. Well, I'm gonna take the only one I know is the bare bones one. If Wait, actually, let me think about this. Card 1. Oh no, I'm gonna do like the really long way. This is bad. I don't know. I think you're gonna hate this. What I'm gonna do. I think you know what I'm gonna do.
Just think about what you're trying to do,
Okay.
like logically before coding it. It should be fine.
Okay.
I think you'll get it.
Yeah, but I feel like it's just not the optimal one. Like it's gonna look ugly. But whatever. If after I do it, you should, if there's like an even better one that you think would be good for me to learn at this point in time, then feel free to share because I would appreciate it. Card 1. What am I doing again? Jack? Wait. It's either face card or... I need to see if one is an ace. Wait a second. Maybe I should have thought about this. If the first 2 cards the players dealt are an ace and a 10 card. But then we have an or... How? Wait, this is weird. Because then there should be like an or, but this is and...
So basically, a blackjack hand, there are two possibilities, right? What are the 2 possibilities? Or I guess because there could be J, Q, or K, there's more than 2 technically, but...
Oh. So ace, and it with, okay. Ace, and then a 10K, Q, or J. Or a 10Q, or a 10K, Q, or J, and an ace. I'll just call it a 10, because they're all 10. Like either an ace or a 10, or a 10 and an ace.
Yeah. That's basically it, yeah.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Ace or 10. Oh, yeah! Oh, okay, well. Huh. I'm overthinking things. If... Ace or 10. Oh, okay. Wait. Didn't they say they don't want me to turn things into numbers? Or they just don't want me to add? I can still turn them into numbers, I just can't add them. Because then
I guess so, yeah.
Yeah. I think that's fine. Yeah, a 10 card. So I can turn it into, with its, you know. One thing I was wondering is if I could do something like this in Python. Let's say this. If card 2 equals B. And then do this and like put them in parentheses like this. And then do and to connect them. Is this like a thing?
You could do that, yeah.
Whoa, no way. That's cool. I don't even know if I'd be allowed to do this in other languages, but maybe.
Yeah, I think you could.
For the logic. That's cool. Also, it's cool that Python can do this thing with, like, the, you know, like, multiple things to check all the conditions, like, for X. Like, it's cool that Python can do that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, what? You said it in a way.
It's fine.
Do you hate that thing?
Yeah, I don't know. I find them difficult to understand sometimes when I see those multiple.
I do. I think they are. There was a problem where I had to use one of those earlier, and I was stuck on it for quite a bit because it was like I had to really think about like the relationship with all the numbers, and it was kind of confusing.
Yeah, usually like if I were to chain those, I would want them all to be less than signs or less than or equal to signs. If some of them are greater than, and some of them are less than, and some of them are like different, it's kind of like hard to understand.
Yeah, because it's like a lot done at once.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have.
By the way, the first expression inside your thing where it says if card 1 is like. Oh no, that's fine. Yeah, never mind.
How to do that?
I thought I saw something else, but it looks fine.
Oh, okay. Keep forgetting the name of this. Value of card. Card. Oh wait, this won't be, this doesn't make sense, because then the first one could be ace, and the second one could be ace, and it's going to register as true, but that's not what I want. If it's ace, I want to specify, like, it has to be, one of these ones has to be. Oh wait, then I just need to do, if card 1, or card 2, why did I put B? Did you see that? I didn't know that. Did you notice that?
I thought you were just trying to ask me about the syntax.
Oh yeah, I was, but I forgot to change it. It's like, oh. Wait, what am I doing? No. Why am I doing, this should be here. That doesn't make sense what I wrote. It should be, get rid of that. Value of card 1 equals, 10. Copy this. So, wow. It's 10. Oh, you know, I think I did some one line, say return if. Right? And then that will automatically return a bool. Well, I don't have to say, like, the if and then return true. I think I can do that.
No, you...
I can't.
You can get rid of the if, yeah. Wait, yeah, that's gonna give you syntax error, but...
Oh. Okay.
I mean, if you delete the if... Yeah, if you delete the if, then...
Oh, because we have this equal, so it knows Boolean. Well, it knows true or false that I want.
That will evaluate that giant expression to either true or false at the end, so...
Oh, cool. Oh, that's so weird. I thought I needed the if. Wow.
I have a feeling this expression is incorrect, but
oh, okay.
I'll let you run it first.
Okay, no, I think you're right. You have a feeling it's definitely gonna be wrong. Oh my god. It's taking so long. Is it okay? Is it my fault that it's taking this long because of what I wrote?
I'm not sure. I don't see why it would take so long to evaluate this.
Yeah, I guess I'll reload it. Let me copy and paste this just in case it didn't save. Okay.
But it
refresh.
One way
Cancel.
you can tell if it's your fault is if you comment out that line and write something else instead.
Okay. That's smart. So hashtag.
Yeah.
Run. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You were right. What does it return?
Oh wait, no, it's fast.
No, yeah, I don't know why that happened.
Maybe they were just
0
overloaded.
is not equal to true. It returned 0, but not true. Why did it return? It's supposed to return a boolean. Sniff. Not 0.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's, as I said, there seems to be something wrong with the way this expression is written, but.
Oh, is the logic? Well, the math I was trying to do, is that correct? And I'm just like not using the syntax right, so it's returning the wrong type, or no?
Sort of.
Okay.
I think you tried to write down something that is correct, but you didn't quite write it down correctly.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I always try to write down something that's correct. It just usually isn't correct. Many times. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, okay, I'll just, here, I'm comment this out. I want to see if I can get a boolean to return at all. So I'm just gonna make something up. What did they put in it? Ace. So if I say card 1 equals, I could just copy this. Ace. Will I get true? Or just will it return a boolean? Will it say true or false? Or
that would be true, yeah. That would return true.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, the function returned false. So then why would this not, even if I did the logic wrong part, why this should return why is this returning 0, not true or false? That seems weird to me.
I'll give you a hint. If the things inside if the things inside aren't Boolean, it's possible for a non-Boolean to come out.
Well, this is an int. Well,
For example, if I were to say 1 or 0, just an example.
Yeah.
The expression 1 or 0 would evaluate to 1 and not true. It's kind of confusing.
Wait, 1 or 0 would evaluate to...
Yeah, because it takes the value of...
Oh wait, it would evaluate to... Oh, go ahead. Okay.
Yeah. It's kind of confusing, but...
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 or 0 would evaluate to 1, because it takes 1 as a truthy object.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I don't like truthiness anymore. It's a cute word, but it's bothering me now. Because 1 is a truthy object, or interpreted.
Yeah, one. Well, yes.
Is okay. Yes. Oh no.
Well, and internally, bools are often the same as integers.
That's true. 1 is truthy.
I think in Python, I think bool is implemented as a
subclass
for integer.
Yeah, I thought like in C# they also use like 0 and 1, but 0 is true and 1 is false. So it's even more confusing.
Wait, why is 0 true and 1 false?
Why would it not be? It's like true. You say true and false, so 0, 1. I think. Let's see. What?
I'm pretty sure 1 is true and 0 is false.
Oh, it is? Or maybe you're right. Sure? I just didn't know. I just always assumed 0 would be true.
Everything is an integer.
I can't. This is too much. I'm dying. Everything is an integer. What is... Corrupt, you know this. Like in C# is... Yeah. Is 0 false and 1 true in C#? Because I thought 0 was...
Philosophically, 0 means like there's nothing, right?
Oh, it's 0 false, 1 true. Oh, you were right. You were right, actually.
Yes.
Wait, philosophically... Oh, you're saying 1 is something.
Like nothing, right? 1 means something.
I didn't think about it like that. Wait, so if I made my own programming language, 0 is false Non-zero is true. Okay.
Corrupt converter
Thank you,
says
corrupt.
generally 0 is false and non-zero is true.
Okay. So if I made my own programming language, my own esoteric programming language, and I decided that I want 0 to be true and 1 false, would the programming community like all try to kill me for doing that?
I think, like if it was supposed to be, like if it was intended to be a cursed programming language, then I think it'll be fine.
Okay. If I market it as, oh, this is going to be the next best programming language, then maybe I'd ruffle some feathers.
Yeah.
Got you, Corrupt. Thank you. Right, so... Truthy. We'll keep that. Okay. Yeah, so if 1 or 0... Oh...
So it's kind of confusing, but
so
okay.
Yeah.
And then let's say if you were to, this is going to start getting weird.
Okay, that's okay. It's what it is. Nothing.
Let's say you try to evaluate the expression false or 0.
X says I overheard the question you just had in the browse section.
Ah.
The
nice to meet you,
evaluation
Pseudo.
of false or 0 will evaluate to 0.
Pseudo Hax says, and the answer is yes.
Thank you, Pseudo. What's the? Can you repeat that again so I can like process it with my small brain?
Okay.
Thank you.
So let's say you try to calculate false or 0.
Okay. So I say false or 0.
Yeah. The result of that expression, or that expression, would evaluate to 0, not false. And I try to explain why.
If you said 1 or 0, the result.
No, if I said 1 or 0,
sorry. Yeah.
1 or 0, the result would be 1.
Yeah, because one of them is true, and you only need 1 to be true for it to be the whole thing to be true.
I assume.
It's a little bit more. Okay, so let's consider the example of false or 0.
Oh wait, am I wrong?
The reason why it's not actually type coercion, corrupt, but it's just Python is very cursed.
Just Python is cursed. Oh, even you.
So the reason why false or 0 evaluates to 0 is that what Python is doing internally, it looks at the first object in that expression, which is false, right?
Are you gonna say short circuit?
So it's not short circuit.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
So what happens is because I guess it's kind of similar to short circuit, but because the first thing is false, it's going to automatically return the second thing. So 0. Does that make sense?
Oh, yeah, that's cursed. Oh, it's...
Yeah. So that means that expression 71, that must have returned the first thing in the parentheses. Oh wait, but it's an and here. Not an or, but it's basically the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Corrupt converter says false or object nice.
Yeah. False or object. But in the case of and, it would be backwards, I think. 0 and false would evaluate to 0.
Says, I feel like
but
I remember
false
using
and
something
0
like a
evaluates to
like
false.
That in JS, I forget.
Wait, what's the other one? You said 0 or false or something? What?
False and 0 would evaluate to false, I think. But 0 and false would evaluate to 0, because in the case of and, it would be backwards, right? Because if you're doing an and comparison, it would return the first thing. Like if one of the things in an and statement is false, right? It's automatically false, right? This is what and does. Like both of them need to be true to be
Yeah.
So in the case of and, what Python does is if there is a falsy object,
Falsy?
Falsiness, yeah.
That's what they call it. Oh my god. Falsy.
It's just going to return the first falsy object.
Falsy. Oh my god. Well, it kind of makes sense, because if you can call something truthy, why not call it falsy? It could also be falsy.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
god.
this is like a very cursed behavior, but...
this is very... Yeah. How did you get used to this cursed behavior? No wonder when I was introduced to this and and or, I was like so confused, and even though it's like I use these things in like C#, I had to like, I was so confused by the documentation, like the Python documentation that I was reading about explaining like the and the. I was like, wait, this seems different. This is cursed. What? What?
Yes, but basically it means that somewhere.
I hate this.
But what I will say is that the result of equal comparisons, A equals B, that is always of Boolean type. It'll always be true or false.
Yeah, but as soon as I use the or, I'm turning it. It's not a Boolean anymore. It's gonna return. Oh wait. It's gonna would evaluate to 1. It's gonna return 1 or 0 into this slot, right? Or something weird like that.
Let me say that if you're only comparing Booleans, then the result will always be Boolean. If you say false or true, for example, or false and true, or true and false, or true or false, or like
then you get Boolean.
It will always be a regular Boolean. The fact that 0 came out of this evaluation means that there's a number sneaking in somewhere, and you need to find it.
Okay. I need to find it. Of course I do. Okay. I mean, there's 10 is an integer. This is, value of card. I mean, and then this would evaluate to an integer too. But I'm still doing a Boolean expression. I'm saying like 10 is equal to 10. And then that should be Boolean too. So I'm also saying Boolean or Boolean. So then it's like, this has a Boolean. And then second part has a Boolean. So then I'm saying Boolean and Boolean.
Wait. Let's look at the second part more carefully. What does it say?
Card 1 is equal to A.
Okay.
Which is Boolean.
Keep going. Keep going through the whole line.
Okay. Or card 2 is equal to A. Yes. Which is a Boolean, I think. And then value of card 1 is an integer equal to an integer, which should be a Boolean value to a Boolean 2, or value of card 2. What happened here? Wait, what? Why did this happen? Oh my god, why did I do that? This shouldn't. Card 2 is... That's a Boolean value of card Boolean.
Right, yeah. I think you see where this is going.
Yeah, but why did this... How did it... So if I put a Boolean in here, shouldn't it have everything just break instead of giving 0?
No.
Why didn't it?
Because...
Yeah.
If you call int of false... So let's say hypothetically, the expression... You pass the value false into value card. Okay.
That's what I did.
That processing step, one of the processing steps asks, is false equal to J or Q or K, right? Something like that.
Okay.
That shouldn't be any problem, right? There shouldn't be a problem calculating that, right? And
wait,
it's not.
If I pass in false, sorry, I lost, even though we were on the first step, then it goes like into here, and it's like, this is so weird. Because in C# this would break, because it's like, this is supposed to be a string.
Right, because the type of the input of line 8 is untyped.
Cursed. So. This your lack of type in Python is absolutely cursed.
It is cursed.
Thank you. This is so cursed. I bet Corrupt thinks this is cursed too. This is the most cursed thing I've ever seen. Okay, so then the Boolean goes in here, and then it's interpreted as a 0. Or
No,
1?
no, it's not interpreted as 0. It's just interpreted as a boolean itself. It isn't cast yet.
What the hell?
So
okay.
On line 18. On line 18, right?
Corrupt converter says,
oh yeah,
I think
18.
weak typing is fun. It lets me do things like JSfuck.
Well, you know what? Corrupt, you're just wrong in general. Wrong. Always wrong. Wrong.
Yeah, on line 18, it's going to say, is false equal to A? No, it isn't. So that's fine.
Wait.
No problem.
Oh, that's where we're... Yeah.
Yeah.
Is...
And then it's going to go to line 22, right?
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Is card equal to J, Q, or K? Also no, right?
Yep.
So that's no problem. And then it's going to go to line
Oh
25.
no, it's going to turn the boolean into an int because you can do that. It's stupid. Return 0.
It's going to cast false into 0.
No, it's cursed.
And that's how 0 popped out.
That's how
Yeah,
this is
0.
what happened. This is insanity. I am mind blown. Okay, so then... Oh, okay. Cursed. Oh, wow. Okay. Let me think too. Okay. Well, now I know why it's returning 0. Let me think about, where even were we in this? Down, all the way down here. No, go here. 1 0 divided to 1. Oh, yeah. 0 divided to false. Oh wait, for this one here, this example where you said 0 and false would evaluate to 0. You mean like it would evaluate to like actually 0 but not false? Oh wait.
Yeah.
Whoa. I'm thinking about... That's interesting.
Because the way Python calculates this AND thing is it looks at the first thing, and if the first thing is falsy, it's just going to return that, basically.
First thing is falsely return that thing. Okay. False.
Imagine, forget all the other types now.
Yeah.
Just imagine that the only possibilities for the input to AND would be false or true, right?
Oh, then it makes sense. But as soon as you take out false and true, and then it suddenly doesn't return the true and false anymore. It's so weird that it would do that.
Yeah, but I mean they're equivalent to true and false in the sense, right? They're falsy or truthy. Yeah.
But then what if you had, like, you said... Is there any way you could not use, like, a 0? Is it like, possible to use something like a variable that you made, like dog, but have it be falsy, and then be like dog and false? I don't know.
There are other things
dog.
that are falsy objects in Python. For example, I think empty string evaluates to being falsy.
Oh, okay. So, if this was falsy, like if this was empty string or whatever that was, then instead of returning just false, it would return empty string, because it just returns whatever's... That's cursed.
It is cursed. And I think empty list also...
Empty list.
It's also considered falsy.
Wonderful. I love this so much. What is it? I mean, I'm probably not, like, capitalizing things right. I wonder if it's, like, empty, like, underscore list. Empty underscore string.
By empty list, I just mean, like, open bracket, close bracket. Or,
quote.
Yeah. Yeah.
Empty list, and then empty string is, like, that.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
And you can manually, if you like create your own class, for example, or your own object of a class, you can choose whether it's truthy or falsy by there's a thing called magic methods. Maybe you can learn about them later.
Okay.
But, yeah.
Are they actually magic, or do they make you sad, chick?
They make you sad, chick.
Oh no! I knew it. I knew it. All these things like that are like hyped up or marketed as like cool. Everything's for the stonk. Nothing is good. Tragic. And false returns.
Yeah, typing in Python is just immensely cursed.
These reasons. Python is immensely cursed.
I think if you learn JavaScript, I think JavaScript is even more cursed than Python, actually. Like,
why? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I actually have heard people talk. I've heard people mention like JavaScript being cursed, but if it's like cursed in this way, but like worse, then I don't even. This makes me like really not want to learn JavaScript at all. Because, yeah, this is. What are these? What are these? These ands and ors? I forgot what they're called. They're called something operators. Some. Boolean operators?
I think they're called logical operators.
Oh, logical operators.
Yeah.
Wait, one of the reasons, one of the many reasons why.
Personally, if I designed Python, I think I would just prefer the operators and or to always return booleans.
Yeah, that's what I would have thought, because if it's an and or, it just should always return a boolean. Don't return the first thing. That's cursed, because then it gives the wrong impression. Because usually in a boolean you'll have like, you might have things that are like booleans, and then it will return like true or false. So you're like, oh, it works like I would expect the logical operator to work. But then you have this, and then it's like it's returning an empty string. Like, why?
Just don't think too hard about it.
Okay. Just accept it. The cursedness. Okay, so now I can fix it. If it's funny, one comma changed everything. Well, that's not a comma. That's a parenthesis, but still. It changed my whole life. Wow. Okay. Thank you. And this was a really great lesson. And since everything I do submits, like your solution submits to this community, that means if anyone happens to read this, they'll get a nice little lesson on logical operators and why Python is immensely cursed. And then they can switch languages.
I think all languages are cursed in their own way.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. I think I read something. There's a guy who started like a new YouTube series. Like he just released a video like 3 days ago or something. He's like a major or trying to get a PhD in computer science or something. But for his project, it's really ambitious. But he says he wants to, in like a year's time, he wants to create a new language that is going to be like the next big, like basically all these languages like are cursed in their own ways. Like what you said, he said. But he wants to make a language that's not cursed at all. It's pretty ambitious. Like he says, the problem with all these languages is like they specialize in like one area, if you try to use it, like you try to use Python for making games, and it's a bad language for making games, or vice versa. You try to use them for different stuff, but then they're not as good because of what they have built in and how they just, how they handle their stuff. It's just inconvenient to use it for other things. So the language is all specialized, and then he wants to make one that is just good for everything and doesn't have anything that's cursed or that would make it difficult to use it in a different domain, or anything that would impact performance or whatever. And he's doing it by using like, I don't remember, I think he's trying to use like machine code and then like use nodes, like visual nodes, like use in like video game design. And then I don't know, I'll just send you the video if you're curious. It's not long. It's like, but it was an interesting proposal. I don't know if it's good. Tell me if you think if you think he's just like dreaming too much if that seems overambitious. I don't have enough knowledge to determine that. But the guy has made his own, like, physics engines, and he's made his own shaders and stuff. So he's really, and he says he's been reading them for over 10 years on how to make, like, you know, your own engines. So he's obviously good at that stuff. But yeah, It was an interesting idea.
That is interesting. I'm not sure what he's actually trying to do, but...
Yeah. He's, as far as I'm aware, he's trying to create a new language at the absolute lowest level you possibly can, and then build it up so that it's a language, and it won't use text. Like, there will not be... Yeah, because he thinks text is the problem, and that's why languages become cursed, because they all want to implement things.
So how would you program then? It's just like binary?
Obviously. Yeah, he is using binary. So he's starting, I think...
like assembly with extra steps, but...
I know! I think he's actually starting with assembly, but then he's taking very basic things in assembly, and he's turning them into what he calls nodes, so it's a visual interface. It's one of those, create a GUI interface in Visual Basic, track the killer's IP address, maybe. But he's wrapping it into a box that you're supposed to work with, like, visually, graphically, and then you, like, those boxes can make more boxes, and those more boxes can be combined into a box.
Like that idea of not using text. It makes it harder to share code.
Another thing that I'm worried about this is if you have visual things, right? Like, there might be, like, different ways of drawing the same program that are equivalent but look different.
I also might be explaining it bad here. I actually want to link it right now, because it was interesting. Let me grab it.
If he's doing this, like...
Yeah.
Like,
it was really...
If he's doing this, like, does he actually want people to adopt this as their everyday workflow?
Yeah. Well,
Can you imagine doing GitHub? Can you imagine doing Git in this? Like imagine how cursed the diffs would look.
Visual notes. Bro, I can't. Wait, I didn't think about those parts. The whole point of it, though, was it's supposed to be super optimized, it's easy to work with, but most importantly, what you see in the nodes is exactly, like, nothing is hidden, like, really. And if you tap on a box, like, you could open up the box and see, and basically you'll end up getting all the way down to assembly. You know exactly what the code is doing. Even at the highest level, you can, like, every little part. And most importantly for him, he wants to know every little thing that his code is doing, so that he can make little tweaks at the tiniest level assembly whenever he wants.
I like.
Yeah. Actually, maybe I was wrong. Maybe he doesn't want everyone to adopt it. He just wants to make the ultimate programming language for himself, so he can do everything with it that he wants. Yeah, because GitHub would be kind of crazy. But he hopes that other people will appreciate it and might want to adopt it too. But his real ambition is to make something no one else has ever made before for a programming language from scratch.
I mean, it sounds cool.
Yeah, it was definitely interesting. Super interesting. I'll grab it really quick and post it, and you guys can check it out later. You might think it's really interesting, corrupt. But I want to hear your opinion, because you use assembly, and I want to know if you think
Corrupt Converter says should make it in Scratch.
Sure. I definitely want to know, Corrupt, if you think it's actually going to be feasible for him to do this. He said he's pretty confident that he can do this, but he admitted he's not sure, because he hasn't done it. He's decided he wanted to take on this project. But he thinks it'll be possible. With everything he's learned so far, it's just going to take time. But, so it was very, very interesting. Okay, where's my playlist? There we go. Sorry, just grabbing it really quick. Because it's... There it is. He called this video Writing Software Without a Programming Language. So he claims there is no programming language because of how he's doing it. I'll paste it here. I should maybe just post it in the Discord.